Mark Golding, that's why I say never quote me because I never have the information, but no, I have it. And Mark Golding talk about the end for student loan guarantor. Now 2002, March 15, 2022. See that? I'm going to show you. Hold on there.
I say, me no wrong Mark Golding to stand up on him foot and say, listen, I now give this big nose boy and no more of my ideas that I want to run this country the right way. Because even the agriculture sector, this man, how if you take tariffs off of food we are coming in our country? What people can
see that Delano. Well on there, Delano, see there. The man met a promise and fear of thief, the man. Fear of thief.
Yes.
Moses plan to blow.
What me I tell you about your fear of we kidding imagine?
Rabbi. Dosa? Eh? Moses plan. Yeah, me I tell you the man gone with Moses plan, brother.
Moses
plan. The man plan, brother, man. Youth. Come on, man. Why the two labor get silent, man?
No, we're not silent.
You know,
I can't remember.
Passion, look for the one where you raise the threshold from must $50 to $100. Look for the one the caution. We are giving them one by one. We are listen, big man.
Him agree. Say,
me have to go and teach a brethren. Me I tell about the plan of Andrew a thief every minute.
Teach who? We are teach.
Boy, me I tell you about to Nina brethren.
I can't me a teach, brother.
Me my can't teach. I want to, man.
You know, so when PNP come to power, man like big man, we have to open up a special facility. We're going to some 500 injection. Because Una suffer from some mental disorder.
Boss, as you say, PNP get them time to prove themselves. And them don't do nothing. We don't need them back.
You have short memory. So that's why you attack, sir. But me understand.
Every man in get up and when hungry lick you. You know what I'm blame Andrew say you're watching a time hard in the man. You come out.
General, we can't blame Andrew. Andrew know that they forgive it and don't nothing to we. We there for work.
The times are hard, brethren. I'm on that big man.
It's hard for people who don't work. If you get up on the chair do something, you now go hard, me general.
What's that?
Only people who look handout.
Yeah, not even woman now ball like you.
Yeah, man, you see you about be leo so buy the car.
Not even woman now ball like you, Diego. Not even woman. Not even woman now ball like you.
Coast of Jamaica live life.
Need to ball him to woman. Not even the woman them now ball like you, Diego.
Big man, listen a big man. And Delano, cause big man is a man that build people hard enough with what kind of them thing. And the people them pay him for all 2 weeks.
But nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that.
Money.
You got but the man life. Nothing wrong with that.
Responsibility, which is my responsibility to the government. Because
line me that wish for you forget. Yo, watch out, big man. That's when PNP come in power.
Hold on.
When PNP come in power, big man, you don't get paid same time. People are going to stop.
Hold on, Delano. Hold on.
Let's get personal with people life.
And a personal, if you talk it truth, a personal, brethren.
Delano, did you
take politics serious?
Hold on, did you see the news since?
You don't know me.
With what happened? Hold on, the big man. Hold on, Delano, did you see the news with what happened in Thai-Spen over the week?
Yeah, you come back on that again.
Hold on. What was the sentiment when they were interviewing the people? What was the sentiment that all of them were sharing?
What them said they don't mind them and this and that?
Yeah, and them must suffer over there.
Them not suffer, them not work. I see them to come back to the people now work. Them look to get up prepare, them don't work.
This is not Delano is a labor here that you know Delano.
It no matter who. It don't really matter. Nobody now suffer. You get up and seminar some 20,000-30,000 a year. We just suffer. They not suffer.
And then the biggest
Delano.
If you see a suffer, I see $30,000 a year. I see $20,000 foot slippers up on your foot. Oh, you feel suffer.
Yo, them people in have on a $30,000 a year, Delano, Bridget.
But I'm not tell me that, you know.
Yo, caution, look on it, you know. A labor right time, this in a Bridget. I imagine them people that were a boss, Bridget.
No, but what you know? You remember the woman we go downtown when them said them did a protest and the woman said, Mark Goldie make them hungry. You remember that time there?
A job.
Yeah.
Well,
But I report there for everybody. Keep on tell people this.
Yeah,
but Delano, stop talk bull, no man.
But you know, listen, you never see PNP Black No Road yet. A boss of them hungry. I always labor right. And we see them do it 2 times. Or how much time already? Them ever ball say them hungry and this and that. And we just a set what them say. And you gotta tell we say a lie, we are telling.
But generally, I never see a labor at Black No Road say them hungry. Which road? Which part? Tell me. When?
Regular Virgin.
PNP alone do it. Just like how Black the media and attack about the people hungry and nobody no hungry wrong here. And nobody not suffer wrong here.
Big man.
Stop
Where they me meet a youth panel live here. Him say one youth at Almantown have no uniform. I say meet me at the church for Hitchin Street. And the youth never come. He never come. I'm afraid of them wicked and lie.
I'm afraid the man
Every night I come panel live here and me can't see him.
You have uniform for anybody in the land?
Yeah? Brother, you have man like Switch, you have man like Taylor and them man there. We have a man at the pastor for the church. We can bring him go and say, yo, explain the situation. And you never show up.
Delano, the man got afraid of your brethren. All you have to do is.
Yeah, me tell the man to come to church. Me never tell him to come to yard. Me say come on one church.
Brethren, all you have to do is.
Me never say youth, come on me gate.
Watch out, my brethren. Just left the thing them on police station and tell them so them.
Nah, man.
You have to understand the times. Remember, say, brethren, and the normal times are going right now in a brethren.
Brother, yes, somebody I come talk where is see him live. See him this live.
Yeah, man, remember, man. I don't lie, matter. I know who I talk to.
I'm not even, every night I come to see him, I can't see him. Every night I come on for the life, you look if I see him.
But Delano,
I can't tell him in his face, I lie, I tell you, if you stop him, lie.
Watch out, Delano.
What Delano?
No, I have to big up Delano upon that, see, because if him have the art, the free do that, you have to give him a thumbs up on that and know, so at least him have the conscience to know, so well then, Ray. You understand me? I said nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, man.
No, but you have people where they say them support the Labour Right Party and they went on PNP live and PNP hit. So they want to start one liquor business. Cutting people yard and PNP people send money go and buy the things them give them.
Yeah,
and nothing wrong with that. A good something that's
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I say, see, the man them, I can't understand now. I can't understand now the man them. The man them still a defend Labour Right and PNP. And politicians take poor people for eat that at Jamaica. Because all of them, a packet of all of money, a 24 million prime minister make. Politicians never take millions. And I just say, in the last 10 years, see, they rob the country a couple of billions of dollars. All right? And everybody sit down and everybody become complacent. You understand? In Jamaica, when we do that thing, you couldn't go and people used to rise up and all them things there. Now everybody was comfortable with oppression. And that we can't understand.
Sure.
Everybody was comfortable with the oppression we are going. Tourism are bringing in $5 billion a year time. Guyana poor country and then just start Jill Isle. And you see that December, the Prime Minister of Guyana put over 200,000 in everybody bank account there. Everybody account in a Guyana. Because they say money are for the people. And start a whole lot of programs for the people. Then. And Jamaica bringing so much billions of dollars with only 2.5 million people on the island. And people still suffer at Jamaica. Come on, man.
But you see, BK, you have majority of them people like Delano and Big Man. I try to push this narrative like say Jamaica. All right, And 75% of Jamaica right now, I feel live on 1 meal a day when him feel eat cheese a day because
General, tell General, them lie that we can't take. I'm gonna call you out for you lie them.
oh, that is a lie.
Nobody night one time, and they look for everybody in Jamaica have big belly and fat.
Can I talk?
Okay, everybody big and fat in Jamaica. Jamaica one of the most obese countries. East Caribbean country.
Yeah, me get to you, sir. Well, on the Courtney, where you say Courtney? Courtney? I'm going to see Courtney and say nothing. I take out that person out of the box. Where you say BK? You have something else right before I cut you?
Yeah, what me I said, saying this thing I will go on where basically politician, I see them all politics. From a born, my parents, I see them thing they talk about. I see them all politics at Jamaica now. It's same set of people, them all these offices, all these seats. All right, rob the poor, and the poor just become complacent. And we talk about the issues and say, yeah, and it come, when I talk about robbing poor people, I talk about Hugo Chavez, give 20 million to Jamaica, see, in the US, to build some house for the poor people. They ship the house, then come to Jamaica. And up to this day, not one house out of where Hugo Chavez money when he get a house, when he send is ever built for a person at Jamaica. Till up to Hugo Chavez pass away. Him don't even deal back with Jamaica because of that. See? We talk about a light bulb scandal.
When that you talk, BK, me not cut about when you talk.
Me talk when Bruce Golding was the Prime Minister of Jamaica and Hugo Chavez did I get the aisle to Jamaica at 2%.
But Hugo Chavez, which country he come from again?
Venezuela. He was Venezuelan president where George Bush never did like. Saying, and I do for the Caribbean and in come to Jamaica. Saying, and then I think it was Hurricane Ivan. They hit Jamaica.
You're right.
Ivan at 2004. Hurricane Ivan at 2004.
All right.
2005.
Ivan.
I must be in one of them hurricane.
Yeah, he get 20 million US to Jamaica. See? And he ship a shipment of house. And up to this day, one will already make house to build for poor people from Jamaica and say for over 2,000 Jamaican. See? And one house not belong now. And all that money gone and nobody not all accountable for it. We're going with our Prime Minister right now with Juliet and Holiness, where them have so much money where they can't even give account for. And the opposition now challenge it. See? The ethics committee gets silence for what going but when they do their report. See? I'm not saying all of them are friend already. I'm not saying Holiness now do a good job no, but when you rob a poor people, them I ordinary people them I get robbed no. Because it's own a resort them and all and thing that Jamaica and the big company them. It's not Jamaican. And I box off the regular people and that me as look on and say, boy, wickedness can't done no because you see an idea. A poor people feel a blunt type from slave, You see the all slave them, then get to kiss the ass of the master so you can get the leftover food. The master don't eat. The back of master. But I want him out and I feel it every day, And I feel people them may talk up for You understand? Because them feel it every day, And them I want to pick up a garbage off of the road. And them I live hand to mouth and I pay one expensive light bill, turn around and pay for them picnic at school. You understand? And them police pressure pull them over upon the road and tell them for left our money with them. And them feel a blunt like everything at Jamaica now.
BK, you see, me and Caution amongst others, we there advocate for a leader where have integrity because we know say be a thief in a parliament. So if we not advocate for that for rad out corruption, we're gonna go back with the same way and still stuck in the loop.
No, it's a revolution.
What is integrity? What is integrity? Because
man, that's easy.
I might hear a big man months from the people.
Big man.
I understand what is integrity. What you define integrity?
Just one a big man.
One.
BK, you see, when we are lead with integrity, if you know say we are rad out corruption, you understand, because you know say people have sticky finger and everybody has their own personal agenda. But when we are lead, if you say you're watching, we want transparency and integrity inside of the parliament. It lead from there so them come output the good work what them supposed to do without a fear thief nothing and a fear sabotage no work fear thief. You understand what I say? No, you know where me find the biggest problem with this government today in a power, BK. We know so the world now run right. But for you as a government, we live in a tropical country, no snow now fall here. And this government now prioritize food, agriculture on a basis. Put agriculture first. So food can cheap, so the average man. Enough here, your virgin. Majority of Jamaica and enough of them labor right and want to admit it. Majority of Jamaica wake up and fret where they going to eat tomorrow. Even Sunday. Tomorrow, Sunday. They don't know what they're going to eat tomorrow.
Politics
big man, don't talk, man. Watch out, them big man.
But not going to that in Jamaica. And if the world of people listen,
you know, say like you, big man.
But Diego, you know what's a lie you tell, Diego?
I'm not telling a lie, Virgin.
A lie you tell. You know
stop telling lie. Live so like we are chatting
You say people like, no need to go put in front of girls.
Can I talk? Big man, and Delano, how much do you think I make a fortnight? How much do you think I make a fortnight?
Yeah, how much am I?
I'm a security and the 16 hours a day. Literally give up hours to actually make a little more money. And what do you think I make a fortnight?
How much am I?
I'm making over 70,000 and inflation them it out afterwards, put back to like 60,000. No, I have a son, right? No, after every fortnight that actually pay off, a little money to go back to work. I have to pay for my son's snacks, I have to buy certain things, and out of all that, I could not buy certain meat, I can't buy certain important things that are actually good for your body. Now, you're saying that people are getting fat in Jamaica because of unhealthy foods.
All right.
You see me? So you're watching people put on weight. Any nation put on too much weight because the food that they're eating is not healthy.
So yeah, Almighty, how long are you out of security?
4 years.
So from 2020 to 2019.
2020 till now, yeah. Basically, it will be 5 years. And I'm still not eating properly because I have to buy things that actually in my budget. So if me I'm making over 70,000 and person making below me, what I expect, what I have to look, the thing is that I'm not looking at myself, I'm looking at others person, because you know why? When you have other person actually suffering, it's going to make things hard for you because well, you have to look how people come rob me at night time because person need it. So when you have a nation where I suffer, you're going to have person out there going to try to find ways unnecessary to actually rob from other person who they can rob from. So I am out there at risk making my money because of other person they not making that amount.
My two one. Let me say something on that. The other day, I depend on live with some labor right, and them I say, "Boy, you know, see KFC line full up. You know, see the pizza place full up." And I say, "Jesus Christ, hear them." Me that love for God me yard and them people that love for God them yard and cook 1 2 pound of chicken and rice.
So which one cheaper?
Listen me now.
Which one cheaper?
Listen up, Regin.
To cook at your yard always cheaper.
Listen up, Regin. Them going to KFC and go spend $6.50 for 1 piece of chicken and couple fries. And then 2 pound of chicken. You buy the chicken alone at $700. Right? You buy the 2 pound of rice. Well, I'm Regin. You buy the 2 pound of rice. That are 2 bills, that are 9 bills. You buy the seasoning, them that is the next 3 bills. Right? If you turn on the stove, put it so them go buy coal then. Take the gas out, because gas there. You go buy coal. If you buy coal right now, you have to have 4 bills. You have to talk about next to 2 grand, 2 grand 5.
Yeah, remember get a look at that.
They have to subject themselves. I bet I'm spend $6.50, you know. I'm buying 1 piece of chicken.
Come say something. But you know, say the KFC in Jamaica are the biggest, are the most, what you call it, profitable KFC branches in the entire world.
Hold on. There you go. Hold on, the mighty one. There you go.
Yo.
Okay, so how much you turn on the stove?
And this man I tell, come here and I tell like, I'm me tell you next thing, mighty one.
No, but watch it. Man say you go turn on the stove.
You want man?
3 bills what I guess to go to food.
No.
Let me tell the man the truth. See?
Hold on, no BK. Can you get a chance to talk, you know?
Alright.
Remember,
Let me say a thing to mighty one.
I make
Mighty
it
one.
over
Hold on.
70,000.
Delano, remember you with Delano. I might want just start.
Delano.
You know say you know say you start the security work 2020. You know say back in 2020 it was something like 30,000 we used to forget to pay. If regular security was a 120, you know. When a man do 120 now, when 53 and 57,000 them I get, you know. So we get the biggest raise already in security pay, you know.
Alright, so you want me to say something now? It
Yes,
actually
man.
worse.
And the next thing I always tell some fellow man.
Hold on.
What I say something now? You can't in a secret certain type of work and feel say you gotta afford the very best. You know work so nowhere in the world in the work so. You can't deliver America and work at KFC. You feel say you go buy steak. We buy steak every night. In a work so.
They actually can.
No.
Person overseas can buy steaks.
You can't feel nobody healthy certain way when you live over there and I work certain amount of money.
You can.
You see me? Channel not look at someone. Nobody argue about it.
Person actually.
I'm always ask any security and tell them why you always tell a man upgrade yourself. I saw you going to earn better. I guess anything. No man understand that. When me at the security work, right now me at the security work, me a sell phone case, me a sell phone charge and all of them something. Then find the next side us and do something in general. Yeah, still gonna complain and the cost prime minister.
How much fruits over there? I'll take you and spend an hour and eat healthy in America by just working 1 hour because you can buy something.
And security work back in 2012, 2015, they never used to work nothing same way.
And security
and things never used to cheap same way.
Sir. Where's security back the house? Security back the house. You know
General, me had the security work from 2014 and it was the same thing.
You know different now?
Yeah, I get more money now.
No.
I best security work now.
No.
I don't understand how you defend profit, you know. I don't understand.
Your prime minister shook up security workers.
What you say, BK?
You defend property. You defend property.
Delano, you ever borrow a loan?
Borrow loan all the while.
How much you borrow?
Delano.
How much you borrow?
You defend property, you know.
What you say, BK? I don't know talking. I can't hear what you say.
How much you borrow?
It's not like you defend profit, you know.
BK, what on BK?
Oh, you feel defend property? Me not defend the property. Where you say that?
Delano, how much money you borrow back then?
Then I borrow over 1.3 million already. Over a million.
Can you borrow 1 million now?
Yes.
No.
Lano.
I can't borrow 1 million. You know why? Because you know that right now security is under the same minimum wage as civil servant. One thing we do, we get overtime because we do 12 hours a day, right? So the overtime actually make our money. The thing is that when we go to a loan entity, they're going to charge us how much a minimum wage worker make yearly, not if they call overtime. So the minimum you can borrow now as a security is 300,000 unless there's a what do you call it now, a deal the bank is doing.
A Scotia you go down.
I go Scotia, I go NCB, I go CIBC, I go VM because I need to borrow over $1 million. And then look at your table, say, I can't borrow that.
I mean, I know Scotia, you go JN, FHC.
Even JN I go. All those bankers in New Kingston. And all implementing say, if I'm going to start to borrow a loan, I only can borrow 300,000.
Brother, I don't know where you're going now. But me, I say, me know that security for borrow loan even ready, you know. Even ready, I go up at JN. I told me, I'm ready for no loan yet. I just take a credit card.
The only reason why you might can borrow a loan because you already borrow a loan in the system and pay it back. So you're more like you're entitled to give you. But security now cannot borrow that amount of money. Like back then. I could have worked in a security company and go there back then and get $1 million loan because what? So overtime, they do not call overtime as security back then. No one call overtime as security. To get my chest to you, so you can buy a loan back then.
Alright, well, I know. Wait,
I understand what you say, my two ones.
Well, on the BK. That person, Judith Buller, present. Judith, Courtney. Courtney never look like him, man. Say nothing. Thought no BK.
Yeah, what may I say? You see the average blue collar worker, like say a security guard. See, it is difficult for him to even buy a house at Jamaica for raise a family. If you have somebody a foreign for send money come give him, it's difficult even if you got NHT when you look on paying a mortgage, pay span is 70,000 where a man say make a fortnight. That's 140,000 a month. See, if you take a mortgage out of that, mortgage I run about 80,000. You take light out of that, it run 130,000.
Well, so they always get it wrong and always like say me a fool. Because mortgage just expensive. See? It depends for your age, you know. Yeah. Mortgage depends for your age.
Listen me a second, man, because you are defending poverty.
No, we're not defending poverty. When you come tell you, we're going to call you out.
It's like mortgage just expensive. With a Jamaica. I tell you realistically, no. You see, I tell you.
Alright, yeah, man.
I post a black people that are Jamaica.
Right, that's so.
See?
Depends for your age. The older you be, the more you pay for mortgage. Younger you be,
but regardless, I give average. I said average. See?
Yeah, the average.
So when me I say, me go back to when me I say. Average $80,000. When you talk about for raise a family, send you go to school, for pay a school fee, for pay a taxi fee, for put food on the table. See, for have proper health coverage. You go to the hospital, go lay down if you get sick. You understand?
Greetings, my people of the nation.
When you talk about dental, see,
Rasta people.
enough money is not
to
support. To support.
Yeah. But BK, let me ask you a question. Let me ask you one question, BK.
See?
Can you work America? Most man in America they are work now. 2-3 jobs in America for make ends meet.
No, that's not true. That's
no,
not
man,
true.
you can't tell me that, man.
Job. Listen.
Yeah, tell me some man.
They do not say that's not true.
Me answer it no. Me do a blue collar job.
It's not true, man. Me general, you have to lie, me general. And that's why I'm not gonna follow up. I not tell lie.
Me play a blue collar job. One job me work. I never work 2 jobs in America. Never.
But yeah, some people work 1 job, man. Some people.
It depends on the job what you do, me general. Me I say I look a local job like a KFC job.
Listen, it's a blue collar job. A security guard work at Jamaica is a blue collar job. KFC job is not blue collar. You understand? I said blue collar job. A security guard in Jamaica is a blue collar worker. See? When we say a blue collar job now, something not in a fast food, minimum wage job, something where average person do. Like you'll be an average electrician. You understand? A policeman. Those are blue collar jobs. A security. You understand? A school teacher.
I understand him now.
All right?
So, a little bit above minimum wage.
Person at Jamaica, even a teacher, it's a struggle for them to even pay a mortgage and pay light bill and pay buy lunch for go to school, send them to go to school, and them is a teacher. In America, a teacher can easily survive, pay a mortgage.
So why in America, why them have teacher shortage now?
See? They have nurse shortage, they have teacher shortage.
Why?
That's why people come. Yeah, that's something totally different from.
No, why? Tell me why. Why?
Yeah, different culture.
No, because they're not paying well over there. That's why them have a shortage.
Well. But
they're not paying well over there. That's why.
Allah ya tell the land.
Let me tell you something.
But you can't tell me that. Me can pull up the certificate and show you now.
You know how much money a nurse make right now? A nurse make 300,000. See? But they have a shortage. But let me get back to what I said before you interrupt. Where you don't understand, politicians make more Prime Minister of Jamaica right now and make similar to where US government are pay for them president. You understand? Next to developed countries, him not supposed to make that salary at what the rate of what people are get paid at Jamaica. See? But nobody have a problem with that because then start look up on Prime Minister and so like them are God. And I understand that our country is run by the people. The people that in Jamaica will live up in the hills then get treated better than people who live on the flat. Police can kick down your door and kick where your foot and all them things there down on the flat, but they not do it on the people them on the hill. Because we have a class problem in Jamaica. Police are going to pull over and tax the poor man, and a taxi man have to run a money or a regular man. But the man on the hill, him not try that with him. Because him have connection with the judge, in related, him father judge and this and that, so they get treated different. When me I say, Jamaica move in our future, Jamaica had developed its skills, so the money supposed to spend on your kids at Jamaica. The money where I make at Jamaica. Most of the money where Jamaica make don't even reach a country. Tourism money, most of it don't ever reach Jamaica. I'm going to tell you why and how. See? You see, if me the America and say me I got Jamaica, I'm going to buy a plane ticket online. For JetBlue, pick your dates. JetBlue I say which hotel you want to stay. You pick a hotel, I want to stay on the North Coast, Orchard at this resort. All right, then say $400 a night. Me I stay for 5 nights. That's a 2,000, 5 4 20. See, $2,000. Me pay for the hotel. You then tell us say you're gonna need a car. Me pay them tell us if it's rent a car or whatever. Me go on Avis. For 5 days we pay for your car. See? Everything me pay in America. When me come to Jamaica now, me fly come to Jamaica, me pick up a car at the airport, me go straight to the hotel, me stay, me go back at the airport, jump back on the plane and come back to America. All of the money when me spend up here, never make it to Jamaica. See, the average person at Jamaica don't get a penny out of it. Because what? Me eat unlimited food on the resort, see, unlimited drinks. I pay for my plane, I'm going to pay for my car, I'm going to pay for my hotel in America. The money they never make it back to the shores of Jamaica. So, that money was never taxed by the Jamaica government. See? And that the money they never get banked in Jamaica.
All right.
See? So, I just show, I just highlight upon certain things. For no say, listen, when a man I got defend politician defend them.
Hey, Jesus Christ, man. You know what I mean?
Packet them a defend. So watch on now poor people are defend on own destruction, Bridget.
All right.
You understand? If no, stop defending on device.
All right. Can I get a talk?
Yeah, Sandra.
There, I know, Mr. Diego. So, BK, number one, you said that blue-collar workers are security guard, and blue-collar workers are people who work with their hands. So, security guards is still a little bit office fallback. They don't work physically with their hands.
I never say blue-collar worker work with it, and blue-collar worker is a class of work. School, police, security, all of that is categorized construction worker as blue collar worker.
Yep. People who are physical labor, that is blue collar.
Yeah, it can be a secretary. It's a class. I never said physical, it's a class of people. All right? People do teacher, the librarian, the police, the fireman, the construction worker, the security. The bus driver, then consider blue because of a class, not by the type of work where you do, but the class where them fall, you know. Then try to categorize, you know, they like consider your blue collar work.
Keep on do this in a bread, Jim. I'm not talk about America.
Same thing at Jamaica, worldwide.
Yeah, but it's just because I use it to put down. Just me not use it to put down the Jamaican system a little because I mean I put it like Americans have it so easy and they don't. It's very expensive to live in America. Very, very expensive.
So which part you rather live?
Have to have a second job.
So which part you rather live?
Pardon me?
Which part you rather live?
In terms of cost of living?
Yeah.
Well, there's more opportunities in America, if that's what you're asking me. There's more opportunities in America, but that doesn't allow him to come here and act as if Americans are having the best life.
Which part easier for live? Which part easier for live? America.
America is easier to live because there is more opportunity. There is 350 people in America. It have a larger economy. So, right? But not everyone can live in America. So we cannot put down our country, Jamaica, because America have a great economy.
People like you put our country, Virgin. People like you
putting down Jamaica.
Because you try to run with a narrative to say Jamaica all right and Jamaica is blessed and Jamaica all right now. We are
Jamaica all right, Diego.
Jamaica
man never said that. Who never said that?
I never say everything
Jamaica
is one.
All right now.
I said I like the microeconomics of Jamaica. Right? That's what I said. Every single time I speak of Jamaica, I said I like the microeconomics. I wish the government would invest more in the macro. I like the macroeconomics and I rather the government
you make Nigel Clark brainwash
in microeconomics.
You make Nigel Clark brainwash.
No, that man of Golden said the same thing.
Oh, macro.
Yeah, even Mark Golden.
Mark Golden said the same thing.
Listen to the
microeconomics of
Mark Golden not repeat it every time. That's what Nigel Clark do. Nigel Clark brainwashing and run gun left the country.
Brainwash Mark Golden too.
And gone foreign.
Let me tell you.
He brainwash Mark Golden.
Mark
Golden said that to you know.
Slave master, man.
Listen me now.
You really defend Mark Golden.
Listen,
Mark Golden, I come from slavery days. People descend that them rich now.
Listen,
no, but people say full of integrity. Diego Salman with integrity. Diego Salman with integrity.
Listen what me I go say to you.
Want to take him off?
Listen what me I go say to you. You know what you this. No, you should come on the platform. Never you this Moses.
Yeah, Diego.
No boy can't come this Moses at can talk about a white man country living here come and talk about white man. I Bridget, they say all around. Yeah, I'm telling this man.
White man country. I don't even know white man country.
I never commanded
white man country. You should be shame yourself.
But all for me shame myself.
You should be shame.
They say all uno. I'm telling you, man. I chew them. I chew over 4 of them. Remember me tell you that.
White history month.
Tell me, I tell you that.
Reflect back to.
I chew over 4 and have some privilege and attack. Because we are trying to put the country in the right direction, but we are trying to make a man lead with integrity and honesty and honor fight that.
Of integrity, which man that?
Mark Golden have a clean slate. You ever see Mark Golden embezzling and no wrongdoings yet?
Oh, can we know that?
Oh, yeah, the man have a clean slate. This man this man in a power right now. Every government agency, we have to do investigation of all and pull him all out.
If our Golden go in power and he make a mistake, would you talk about
I see him where we are dragging. That's why we can listen when me I say no brethren. Listen when me I say no man. Cause I feel like say I eat that. That's why you say the company platform. Yeah? You think a colorblind? If Mark Golden come in as Prime Minister tomorrow and I fuck up, we are tell him and him have to come down. How you feel like? You think a colorblind thing this? You know so take Jamaica, you not have a right, you know, because no from now pass in the place and feel like Jamaica get soft, you know. Warrior out of the same way when I ramp and play people. I tell you that. And just because of people like Uno, we come like a frack on our blood clot wear. Uno make this a boy, I get to a murder when name Andrew Fiero. I get to all sort of things, brethren. I'm not take it for you, that brethren.
What is he getting away with?
Oh, you mean a rob and a chop Jamaica?
It is not proven. It is not proven. So you are criminalizing.
Hey, anybody who want coming out of the box can come in at the box, come talk. But on the door, trouble Moses. Leave Moses alone if you don't want to stay in the box. If you don't know who named Moses, just think about it. Yeah, man. Because when we tell you who named Pharaoh, you must know who named Moses.
So why you do people in the box and talk about Finsack? Because that have to do with Mark Golden. Moses, I mean.
Yeah, Moses. Yeah, me go here catch on. That not to do with Moses. Moses.
TT, you talk about Finsack.
But me tell you this, brethren. The man them have to understand, say, yo, listen up. Are we, the citizens them in the country, have the power? Are we pay the tax them in the country, make the country run? So if you go run from it our money, because if me I run a business and somebody a thief in the business, if the manager am left in the business, I thief the money and money I fall short. And me I say, yo, oh, the manager drive car bigger than me. Oh, the manager I live better lifestyle than me. We own the company. Me I go say, nah, man, something have to change up, man. Something all right. I never tell me, say, we blatant different. This man come become a representative. What's to say, yo, watch now? Something right about him. You understand? You come in.
Are you saying you should be driving a better car than the Prime Minister?
No, Bregin, you see, I misinterpret when I try to say, Bregin. I just I use something in a general context, Bregin. How if you have car better than the man? How if you have car better than the man, Bregin?
But that's what I got from what you just said.
Because you want to get that, Bregin. You just think like a one-shot mind person, Bregin.
Wait a man. Listen, man. Andre, the Prime Minister not supposed to come in a power to enrich himself. The Prime Minister is supposed to come in power to lead the people. And you understand what I say? So if you never come in a politics with a Christian, why you want to leave out of politics with a Christian?
But the office give all of them cars, including the opposition.
Listen, man. Enough of it. Listen, as a matter of fact, as I'm telling you, Andre, you see me right now can run the country. Can I tell you, if me turn Prime Minister right now, the first thing me I do, I roll back the salary. Back the salary. No politician now get more than $5 to $6 million per year. Because them have to feel where the listener, them have to feel where the poor people are feel to. Them have to feel how it feel to have that amount of money and try to survive throughout the year. So it's when time them feel that them know how to come a parliament and pass good policy to make the country grow up. When you raise for them salary, them not feel it. When a politician get $14 million, right? $14 million, I'm going to divide that. That's a little over $1 million. The politician I get a month. Every month, you have people that work for the whole year and now get $1 million. You understand what I say? Over $1 million I get for the month. See, you not feel nothing what going on in this country. Because right now, if me get a job, we pay me $1 million a month right now. Me nice. Well nice. Me can go in any supermarket, go push out a trolley. $250,000. I can rent one nice apartment. $100,000, $50,000 for my light bill. I'm able to move half of my salary. Plus, politicians I get benefit and all them kind of something. They cut the bullshit, man. They're supposed to get even $6 million. Make them survive with $500,000 a month. Make them feel what it feel like.
Caution. I wonder if this a youth and knows a politician now to touch them pay with the amount of benefits they then get.
Nah.
Him not know that. Them get $22 million a year and don't have to touch it, Bregin.
Certain things come, even CEO of some companies, people who work at the wharf, they have certain benefits. It comes with certain benefits.
Listen, that's a private. I believe. All right, well, on a little touch. I believe any leader will lead my country. You're not supposed to come to lead it because they want to get money. You're not supposed to lead it because they want to build one big house from Beverly Hills. You're not supposed to lead it because they want to have bomb satellite on the top of a vehicle and 20 vehicles park up in a driveway. You're not fair lead mine. No politician is supposed to come in my country. We never own a gas station. And when they come out of politics, they have 50 gas stations. That means that when you come in politics, you never did that work for me. You work for yourself.
Took me a look, Bregin.
Yeah, me don't want them leader then. I want a leader who come in and the cut thing to work for the people. Work
so leader of your ambition.
Then listen, if you want to upgrade yourself, go private sector. Upgrade
and I wouldn't talk against all those
like
points.
You come in politics if you decide to serve a country. Let me tell you this, man. You see when Nigel Clark, though, even though you're a boss, but let me tell you this, man. Nigel Clark a big sellout for Jamaica. Big sellout. That means that no, me can look at it and say Nigel Clark, when him take up that role as MP and finance minister, he never take it up with Jamaica the best interest because him get a better right opportunity and when him do, him gone.
Yep.
We want leaders to stay in this. We listen, man. We want leaders to stay in this whether thick or thin.
Right.
We don't want leaders to be allowed when time things get rough and gone on a different ship.
But caution, this is what I'm getting from what you're saying, right? Tell me if I'm wrong. Is the PNP proposing that they are going to not take pay, they are not going to drive expensive vehicle, or it's going to be the same thing, they're going to take all the benefits that affords the government?
Well, I don't know about the rest of people, but see Moses have one proud of one. I want to see him change it. And Moses can go in at any car man, go get any vehicle. And one of the angle and pop off for the man proud of one. And I hit him a drive. You understand what I say? Him have two proud of one. And one when drive got country, one of the angle pop off and look upon that and I mark the man as a different man. Come here and say Moses can more than go in at any car man, but take out something brand new.
But Moses and Hardy and Benz and all of them vehicles.
Where you see Moses? Me never see Moses or Hardy and Benz. I'm too proud of him.
That's what me telling you.
Listen, man. Listen, man.
Private life.
Just easy, man. Me I tell you about what I see. Me not see what you see. So, me can't draw that assumption. Me I talk about when me see the man drive daily. When me see Fiverr drive, Fiverr of the latest Land Rover, Fiverr of the latest BMW car. You understand what I say? Discovery. Discovery name, Land Rover. You understand?
Yeah, I have a Land Rover. I have a Land Cruiser too, man.
I have a Land Cruiser too. You see how much vehicle the man have? And me I tell you, say me see Moses a drive and one of the angle do them pop off on the left hand side. At the older Prado van, him have two Prado van, one of the newer shape and one of the older shape. You see him drive the newer shape one, which it makes sense because the angle pop off. But I just show you the mindset of the man. If the man was a man who believe in a muggling and this and that, the man would have one of the brand new $30 million Porsche drive up and down with. The man can do it. But the man is just a humble man. The man is just a simple man. When you see how the man even dress, you realize that the man is a simple, normal man. The man not met that bad of him. Andrew Warren is a worry about Clarks. The whole of the labor right people, when you see them a muggle, where you see them a muggling? Clarks. Pinky out of Portland, Clarks. You understand what I say? The other one out there so we can't dress. So she name the little dentist one with the little white tongue. Look how she move. I pay fashion. People like them, they will come thief your money because them are red. Them can't humble. Them can't satisfy. Me want a simple leader. That mean one. Me don't want a fussy leader. We worry about him pants. We worry about him shirt. We worry about him shoes. We worry about him car. We want a simple leader. And Moses is the simple leader with Jamaica want. Because this man, me can't tell you say him will roll about the salary, you know. But if him can go in and take off a little bit of fight, I don't have a problem.
And him will. Me I tell you say, when we Jamaican citizens say Moses, give me a break. Him know. Him was the first one come out and say, yo.
So is it propaganda that he's the highest paid politician right now?
Yeah.
No, it's not the propaganda. He's the highest paid. Him take the raise a salary. Him take the raise a salary. He never say him not gonna take it. Him take it. He take it to 2-1.
Right.
So when do the pay? When do the pay?
Listen, that's a propaganda.
Nobody knows.
When time, man, he give it to charity. You see when time.
Who's charity?
Well, I'm gonna look it up and tell the 3 charity pays them. But you see when time the salary thing, when him and Julian did that for roll it back. My boy they tell him say Nigel Clark said the salary cannot roll back. The only way I can get the salary is unless I resign. So me want to know now, oh, the opposition leader one can roll back, but the prime minister one can roll back. That don't make no sense. Oh, Andrew only said I say him not take him salary. Remember right now it done fix and adjust. So there's no way him can don't take the $28 million unless it roll back. And when it roll back, right, then adjust it and put the prime minister one to $9 million. And him treat the whole on and run with it. The only way the salary could have changed is unless the salary roll back. You hear no salary roll back all now? No salary no roll back. And when Andrew Wallace come out and tell us say him not take the money. Uno for tell Andrew Wallace now say in a 2024 for show Uno in pay slip. Ask for him pay slip.
Hold on. I want something. May I hear the conversation and I want to find out something from you because quite some time now you talk on the internet. And it's like tonight now I realize what your real problem. So you say now, a leader can be a good leader if he is not a proper leader. That's your problem?
You hear me say that?
No, but me no. The leader, right? What make a good leader?
When me reason, that's where you understand from.
No, hold on.
That's where you get to understand.
May I tell you what me hear and you can correct me. May I tell you what me hear? We don't have problem, not what do a leader do, but what a leader have. So a leader can be a leader.
Big man, listen up, man. Foresight, brother. Easy, no, man. If me tell you, say the man come in broke, and the man to the day can afford to buy 5 house cash when borrow loan for buy before him turn prime minister, and me not for ask where him get the money from, I'm mad man.
So hold on, while him uplift for people, him not for uplift himself. Him not for grow the country.
Uplift himself, but
upliftment
not
and the
like money.
Hey,
not
our money must spend a big
money.
idiot.
So hold on, which taxpayers? Which taxpayers?
Listen, man.
Hold on. Which taxpayers money?
Foresight.
Which taxpayer money benefit from? Tell me.
Foresight. The man is a prime minister of the country, and him have access to all of these things. Him run the administration, and if we say yeah get rich, and we are asked to say Andrew Onless, aka Fiverr, how you come by so much money, and you decide as Fiverr say yo, me not tell no.
Yeah, but him never
we
say nothing.
We come to the assumption say listen, a thief you thief money, because you see if you never thief money, you don't come out and say people. I've been hearing a lot of speculations that whatsoever, but I can show. Listen, man. I can show on this. I got this investment here. I'm gonna invest money over there, so I'm gonna end up win money there, so I'm gonna buy the laptop. I'm gonna get one this. I'm gonna buy one little match, sports bet match. I'm then pay me out this. I'm gonna start saving money. I'm gonna put it there, so explain.
All right, we can reason. Can we reason?
No, well, man, we are reason we are in. The prime minister is obligated to tell us. And I ask you for ask him.
Caution, can we reason? Can me hear you? Me get you. Can we reason? Can I respond?
At least you know.
Yeah, just done this, Moses. I didn't want to take it serious.
All right, watch you now. You know the problem me have with the conversations them enough at the time. Cause more time, like me I scroll and me listen. Bro, you can always assume as you want, you can feel as you want, but you can't arrive at a conclusion based on what you assume and based on what you feel. You can't only say you feel like it happen, right? Because we can feel any way we want to feel about Mark Golding too. You understand? Because there's a lot of questions around Mark Golding thing, right? Same way. And the re-roam thing and all them something there. Right? But what you can't present the assumption as facts, and that is what you keep doing, bro.
Listen, I'm going to say it again. The Prime Minister is underneath investigation for illicit enrichment. The Prime Minister is underneath investigation for fraud, tax evasion, money laundering. That is facts. That is facts. Don't tell me no nonsense on me ears.
Bro, that's fabricated. And you get caught
Listen,
up in the
all right then. Since it's fabricated, make me and my people them talk. Don't open your mouth, Mike. Since it's fabricated. So the Prime Minister have $1.9 million on his salary or somewhere after so when can't get account for. The next thing is that him have 400 million go back and forth in an account where nobody don't know where the source of funds come from. $30,000 when they having a one charity fund. When he put in a charity fund and say it's a charity fund, him come back and say it's not a charity fund. That means that it becomes an earning. And any earning the Prime Minister. Listen, man, brother. Just listen, man. Any earning where the Prime Minister earn over his salary becomes taxable at 30 or 33%. So that means that is tax evasion. Money transferring back and forth from account to account, running in a circle. Plus, people are use jackbox. I drop how much money in an account. That is called money laundering.
Tell me when we can talk. Just tell me. When you're done.
Listen, man, listen, and a time for talk, brother. A time for truth.
No, tell me. Just tell me when you're done and I can respond. Just tell me. Me alone.
You understand? This is time for truth. And so you start, brother, with the lies, you're going to mute you. Because when we do over upon the life what they are, none of them never give me the chance to talk. But now you come
from my platform, you tell me, you're not going to
give me a chance to talk. Brother, easy man. Give me a chance to talk. I deal with this, man. I deal with this. Can remember you upon a life one night. None of them give me the chance to talk. You never stand up and tell nobody, say, yo, make caution talk. So hear me, I say, see when you come over here, get the tech for you get. Caution. You understand me, I say? So now come over here, come down, make the reason. The reason that they are so, brother. When they do over your side, your reason and your chat and the real up and this and me have to just squat like a little humble dog. I want to come over here to come back me up. You're mad man. Caution. I mean run your son.
But now,
alright, so relax your brain when me talk come there. You understand me I say? There is a lot of things.
Just tell me when you're ready. When me can talk. Cool?
Yeah man, they bring back your mind no man. Mo tell you. Just go and listen.
Cool.
You understand? Just go and listen, man. So we realize that now the Prime Minister have all of them things there over and burn, and people are gonna tell we now say in a this time and age. In a this time and age now, them are gonna tell we say, boy, nothing no go say and we nah no facts and we nah no this and we nah no that and rate. Well on, I'm gonna hear one song. Well on there, that song a bad tune, you know. When you listen it.
When the sun is rising in the east,
night
falls in the west. Stay on the lookout because
we have to make the people know. Cause $3 trillion, we don't know where it there. Up to today day we still ask where the $3 trillion there. The man signed some deal with NEPA, non-disclosure. Nobody knows if him take kickback money from them people to make that kind of deal because what? The deal is non-disclosure. We can't see the deal. 2 deal the man do so. NHT, NEPA. You understand what I start talk about? A lot of ministries where him run underneath now. Flag for all kind of various things, brethren. Me not gonna tell you say you're gonna have a perfect run government. Because none of us on this planet are not perfect. But at the end of the day, this is too much. The man surpass Siaga. The man makes Siaga look like a saint. Me can put Siaga right now up everywhere God there. Before, when we used to hear about Siaga, we used to say, yo, you know, the wickedest man this way ever could have walked in Jamaica. And watch, you know, Andrew come beat the man. And the mere fact say, we have people who support the Jamaica Labour Party will act as if say a scale over them eyelid and them can't see and understand what we talk about. Them only come to defend him and they are the one who are encourage this man to behave them kind of way. Because everything what this man has said wanna come out and defend it. The man said the climate change mash up the road. The climate change, and when I check it out now, the climate change that Jamaica have is drought. We move from having excessive rain to less rain and possibly more drought. And the man are gonna say a climate change mash up the road and the whole of come out and talk about rain and fall more.
No sense, man. You know, no sense.
Yo, come on from a live, brother, if you don't want to listen to my youth. I want you. When you come up in my box, I come tell me this and that. When I go find someone going on my birthday. You understand me? I say? Climate change, he must say mash up the road and him stop maintain the road from 2017. 2017, the man stop maintain the road to 2024. And because it have come to election, you a rollout program now we got fixed road for campaign after the road for get the people and for voting for third term. I mean I tell you say, yo, hey, if people ever fall for that trick, if people ever fall for that trick, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 7 years. The man no look pan road for. We're going back again now in the supermarket. When you go in the supermarket with $15,000, go buy food and see what you come out with. When you go in the supermarket and the same mania where we run the country now, In a 2015, the man going to a supermarket with $3,000 and full of basket. I'm encourage anyone on the right so now for challenge that. Go into the supermarket with 15,000 and that's the minimum wage and see what you can pick up and come out of the supermarket with. The man feel winner every angle. Every angle the man feel winner. If you don't come and say, boy, him renovate just police station ever renovate. Hospital ever renovate. Every administration do that. In build house. Every administration build house. The man do nothing spectacular. But the one thing we grab Jamaica eye in a 2015 was when he must speak out against corruption. We must speak heavily against corruption, and a lot of people think that this man was going to put a change in our politics. And little did we know that this man did not go encourage corruption, because this man sitting in parliament today with Dalrymple. This man party put Kim Brown Lawrence for run back again. This man have Andrew Wheatley same way, Fly Green same way, JC Hutchinson, all them people will break the rules and regulation. People will like kick over media things and all of them kind of something there. Still in a parliament. As a matter of fact, me not forget the local woman beater where them go put for run back down at Westmoreland. We beat him woman with the stool, pan camera. That is not a party with integrity. And if you can't lead your party with integrity, I can't the country are going to lead with integrity, brethren. It cannot be. The same man, you are going to tell people to follow the rules and regulations and the laws of the land. And when the laws of the land, you are doing your badness. Nobody now tell us don't do your badness. Right? You are doing your badness and the law catch up on you. Face your judgment. You love tell people say, face the what, go in and face the maker. Well, you're one now. Declare your assets them or face the judge. But no, you rather have to try go in and try to tear down the Integrity Commission and the whole on the fall back him with this frig up move to try to tear down the Integrity Commission that him will do illicit activities can't stand accountable for it. So all of these years, when the JLP them a lick up about corruption, little did we know say only name corruption because them corruption never lick Jamaica yet. Never lick Jamaica yet. But as PJB, but as Bruce B, Michael Manley, Bustamante, Shearer, none of them never under elite investigation. For none of them kind of something here. People speculate. People talk. But nobody never knows say, yo, the day we don't come, we are prime minister of your country. We want to stand up for, we want to say come from humble background. And me now going to tell you, I don't come from a humble background. But me support a party, we put a man up front as humble background called PJ Patterson. What barefoot go to school. And no for to know that. But no for the labor right, never vote for him, we vote for Siaga. So when you not come with a humble something there, cut that out. We are dealing with policies. And it no matter who want to run the country, as long as he man run the country with integrity, I stand with that person. Fox. That's how me I deal with that, sir.
Fox, that's what we are dealing with.
Yeah. Can I say something?
I don't know if we can talk. I'm monologue. Remember if you tell me when we can talk in a caution, because you're alive.
Big man,
You're nothing from man. You know why you're nothing from because you're not talk nothing. Nothing on not talk. You come out with false narrative.
Ocean. Big man, where I say?
Who for talk on me?
May I say, from me born, all we I say. But from me born and I grow, if this man is a thief and a criminal and I rob and not give an account for the taxpayer money, well, me can understand because me see it as spend. Because I never see a leader or prime minister use Jamaican taxpayer money to develop Jamaica so rapidly and fast and beautiful and nice. So, I mean, he's Robin Hood then. If you say so, he's Robin Hood, you know?
All right,
I respect Robin Hood.
All right, respect. Where I send on foresight?
Yeah, but here what happened now, caution. Not because the views might be contrary to what you say, means you have to cut off a man. So watch you now.
you know some me support the Jamaica Labour Party, right? And I support the Labour Party, right? And because I support the Jamaica Labour Party, when I like Wagwan, and because I like Wagwan, why I support the Jamaica Labour Party? Enough man just have a party with them support and them try to find everything to defend the party because that's a party them like. With me, it's different. Me like Wagwan, and me choose. Me exist, and I grew up under both governments. And as Big Man say, at the first, me see a prime minister use taxpayer money towards the development of the country in such a way, right? Such a great way. The magnitude of development.
Name the development where you talking about.
Me, I go say something to you now.
No, name the development. No. Come on, man. Name the development.
Yeah, but that was just an intro. But you say a lot of things. I want to address some things.
No. You can't size up with me, brother, on my platform. I mean, me say a lot of things. How you look?
No, but
no reason. Put your thing fast. Listen, man. Say what you say fast, Virgin.
All right, I got something.
And a size up thing.
All right. As for corruption, you have competent authorities who deal with corruption. None of them was able to arrive at the conclusion that the Prime Minister is corrupt, right? None of them was able to do it. So why you think even a forensic auditor came in to investigate the Prime Minister and said he saw
and where you say the forensic
if the competent authority could have said them not see nothing wrong.
Them not say nothing. Hold on. Wait. A facts we are deal. We do not even have views. So I my views TV. Hold on there. All right, now which party there? Where
that is a fact. Caution.
Mute your mic and stop that, man.
If the forensic auditor said nothing wrong, who is you? What is that training you have? If say him corrupt.
Yo, you not have no talk. Mute your mic now, man. Make caution.
All right, now. Look now. People, hold on, man. Yeah. Look on the screen now. 2025, January. Chuck demands forensic audit report into PM statutory declaration. So, foresight, when did you see the forensic audit report? Open your mic and answer me that now. When did you see it? Because if JP no see it, me want to know how you see it.
Bro.
Come on, man, speak up, my brother, man. I want to see man, you to just attack good, man.
Bro,
when did you see the forensic audit report?
Brother.
Listen. Foresight. Now ask you one simple question. When did you see the forensic answer? Okay, tell me now.
The forensic auditor report, right? It is reported in the same report that the forensic auditor report says.
Big man, I ask you again. When did you see the forensic audit report? Listen, big man. Listen, man. You're not talking to no fool up here, so. If Chuck asks feed, how you see it? If Chuck asks the forensic, listen, man. Hey. If Chuck demand the forensic audit report,
Caution, if you're going to mute me, if you're going to ask me a question,
I'm mute me. Brother, if you're going to come tell lie, brother, I don't want to hear it.
No,
because
you
will have
demand
the forensic audit report. Man, better not go on here, man. Listen, people, I hurt you not try to hurt people head in idea.
Bro, you know what nobody can challenge you, man.
Listen, I gotta ask you again. Did you see? Well, let me take him off. Well, that him for going about in business. Because if Chucker asks you the forensic audit report, oh, you see it. Why you think him asks you the report? Because him not see it. But only the on the internet, I run and I tell people about forensic audit report, said this and said it and see, Chuck, 2025, the 14th of January, 2 weeks ago, him a demand the report. And Uno run with it last year. Set this man, yeah, right? The Uno see the forensic report in a report, and me not see that, you know, but Uno see it. Come with that report there.
So what they're saying, there's not a
Listen, man, big man. Me can't bother look a pitney man. You know, yo, brother, and can't send
Them have sense. Them have sense, Natasha. Them have sense and know them have because them for one know say the Prime Minister statutory declaration it not visible to the public eye, Bridging. So them know what them do wrong, but them can't divulge from it in the public. Them Bridging, know say the man commit some various heinous crimes with taxpaying money, but our money, my money. Him take and use.
The thing is, Diego, how the labor right them are set. The forensic audit report now not upon it, but at the end of the day, Chuck a demand the report into the statutory declaration of the Prime Minister. Me want them answer and tell me that. Me want to answer and tell me, as a matter of fact, me don't want to answer. Me want to show me. The next thing I want to do, I want to tell me where the forensic auditor name, which company. Tell me the name of the company, because if you see the report, you must know the name. I'm going to screen record, because one time it come out and I saw the company name, me I go sue for misinformation to the public. Una do this over the years. Una lie to the people every single day. Una get up and go up on the platform to lie to the Jamaican people. And when people start talk out and show the truth, una behave like say them illusional. And now when you show them the facts right there, so I say, look, see there. If Chuck asked for the forensic audit report, oh, uno see it. And Uno is not an official member of Jamaica Labour Party.
I can ask you a question, sir.
I check out people still in the Bridging big.
If you ask a question, a big man, answer your fiance caution. Question, can you say in a forensic report? So answer a question. Answer a question when your next comrade, when your next Labour right friend up there to jump off. Because you don't back him enough. Answer the man question.
Take him out, man. Him a commit foolish.
Caution, what I want to ask you, see?
Caution, the man needs to answer the question when you ask them.
How does the foreign report come about? And why it's come about? Because me want to know, because...
Answer the man question, big man. Answer the man question. You can't ask a question.
Me no yes man, you know, brother. Me no yes man, you know. Me source the thing, you know. Me
no business when me not talk about no yes man. Me not talk about no yes.
So then ask caution, say, why Delroy Chuka demand the report?
So you don't know why?
Because it was read on the national media about the report from foreign, and it was sent to all
national media report. I report that.
I'm just saying, you know. So that's why.
Say nothing, brother. That's why you're foolish.
That's why Chuka demand it, because by right it's supposed to read in Parliament.
Look here, you attack foolish. You not attack foolishness. You know, if stop from company media come talk rubbish to people. Because you don't know, you not read, you not listen. On the now look, on just come when I run with fast.
So me understand, you know. Me understand. So when you say that really trouble me, because
when me I say no trouble, you me no respond to your trouble where you want trouble or what. Me I tell you.
No, that's why I don't make it trouble me, because me just you attack bullshit, you know.
Me no know about no shit or no bull where you talk about, you know. Me say stop from come on the media and mislead people. Because we don't have no facts, so not reading. Oh, no report. Oh, no talk about report when I release.
And nobody can
the media. Oh, no just come on the place and attack the rubbish.
Nobody can call me down because we caution and say and we caution and defend.
I'm telling you the truth.
Argument. The conversation what you want the virgin have.
When question throwing out tone on not answering the question and running
fast. But they understand PNP, you know, they like to push fast narrative. That's why Delroy Chuka demand the report. That's why Delroy Chuka demand the report.
People like you know, big man.
Good night. Good night.
Go with the man. Leave the man alone.
Good night.
Yes, Stallion, Stallion.
Make your point,
Yeah, man,
boss.
show you
Make your point.
Stallion.
Good night. I can ask a question.
Make your point now.
All right. When you say JLP no do nothing for nobody. What about the 1.5 no 1.7? What PNP plan to do with that now? Reverse when them coming out in a government.
Only
What that?
so done spreading.
What that? What
Yeah,
that?
the
What that?
1.5 no 1.7. The income tax break.
Mm-hmm. So when did the income tax started? What figure did it started in Jamaica?
Well, me don't know that, but right now, I know say the threshold is at 1.7 million. The first 1.7 million.
It always a move. It always a move. So that is not nothing where gradually as time goes by and your money get weaker and the economy get harder, you're more likely to have to move the threshold, brother.
Yeah, but remember, Omar Davis did speak about that, you know, say that not possible, you know, 1.5 not possible, and now they are 1.7.
Yeah, and right now,
right
now the country crash.
Country crash?
Yeah, man.
Which country crash now?
All right, look at now.
I wonder if I see in Jamaica, I'm living in.
Well, which parish you live in? Which parish?
Me Sentan, man. Northeast.
All right, Sentan.
Yeah.
Sentence. No, you don't have to tell me exactly where there. Tell me about Sentence Bay Hospital.
Oh, perfect. Service perfect.
Perfect.
Exceptional.
Right. How much CT? Hey. Well, man, how much CT scan Sentence Bay Hospital have?
I don't know about CT scan, but I get X-ray done.
Listen up. Oh, you get X-ray done now.
All right, last year, two of my sons, one had a broken toe, and one had a fractured arm. And the service was exceptional. Me can tell you that.
Oh, the service was exceptional.
Exceptional at Sentence Bay Hospital. So sometimes me wonder what people are really talking about when they say the health sector down. Me can't speak for the hospital. Me can't talk about the Sentence Bay Hospital.
It's like a hotel, it's clean, it's fresh.
Oh, it's a
nice.
Hotel. All right, listen. Let me mute all uno now. Because me not depend them kind of talking with uno. So you said the service is exceptional. Me no see no major infrastructure development. You say them have X-ray machine. No, me not sure about that. I go look and find out. Where is this radiology department, by the way? Which part of the compound?
Kashan, I lie them a tell about Sentence Bay Hospital. Tell them some miss a lie them a tell about Sentence Bay Hospital.
Opal, listen up. This is a reason why I'm asking. Me know the hospital. And that's why I'm asking him now to tell me where the radiology department there on Sentence Bay Hospital. Tell me which part I can go find that now. Open your mic, Stallion, man. Mute, you know. Tell me which part of the radiology department there at Sentence Bay Hospital. Because me can tell uno a which part uno go do phone X-ray. You have a place in a Orchard town where you have the KFC, one big plaza. I don't know where the plaza the name. You have a radiology. Listen, man. Listen what I say.
Big man, I want provide them the information there.
Listen, man. Over there, so uno go do X-ray, the radiology department where the KFC depend, and you have the Chinese restaurant and a bank over there and one supermarket over there and the X-ray place there. We are down to the part where behind the gas station. So I don't know if I feel like somebody will know Sentence Bay. You know me glad. Listen, lock off your mouth. Lock off your mouth. Like I feel like you don't know who. You like you feel like say, oh, I want to tell you, tell me know nothing about country, man. Listen, let me tell you this, Bridget. It's a Sentence Bay Hospital coming like our clinic. You see the same part where them other people in analyze when you go in at the hospital, you register right at the front desk, and when you want to see the doctor, you go straight ahead. You have the reception glass there, so and when they admit you, you pass the reception glass and go through one door right through there, so and in there you go get admit. Don't feel like sending nobody when you know the hospital they are talk to, you know, brother. That's what we make sure.
Because 97 off a bike and a Sentence Bay Hospital. He get extra Senansby Hospital. 97.
Big man, shut them out, man.
97. And I need PNP time. They get X-ray. Mother attention moving, man. And I need PNP time.
All right. Caution. Which parish you from?
Oh, I know. See somebody I tell you that them Senegal Jacksal. Me know better. Now tell me about which parish me from. From you hear me describe the hospital, you're supposed to know, say, as somebody will know the hospital.
You don't need to hear from nobody. Me have my experience.
All right.
I
can tell you this now. The man will deal with the bone specialist, field office. You have the medical doctor office. When you go through the passage, the medical doctor them on the left hand side, and the orthopedic office them on the right hand side. So nobody feel like somebody when you know the hospital they are talk about. Them don't have no radiology department. None.
Caution, they don't know the hospital, caution. And all the war techs in that don't know the hospital.
Big man, some follow people and propaganda. Yeah?
You get extra stands with hospital. Okay.
How much you have to lose, caution? Caution, a 2 X-ray machine in there. 2 X-ray machine. One working and one not working.
All right, sent.
2 X-ray machine in the X-ray room.
When the X-ray machine come?
You have a newer one and you have one where they say that like that overeat or something like that. 2 of them there, 2 big machine there.
You have a brand new one in there, brand new
one.
When the X-ray machine that come there, that
me can't tell you when they come, but me I tell you the year before last.
Me ask 2022. All right then, I put it in 2022. All right, well, and then I got I got type in radiology department. Well, and sentence B, radiology department.
Authorities have launched an investigation. Now, the station understands that the story could be disturbing given the sensitivity of the matter. But our news response to the issue activity news believes that it wants to show the following images in the public interest and to ensure the integrity of the story.
I see them have the X-ray machine, but you say them have X-ray machine, but I know the Apex in and town them use, but you say them have a radiology machine, and if them have a radiology machine that would have to depend on the internet, is a must.
Say when me crash off a bike, I don't a Senansby 97, I don't a Senansby hospital, them check me. Me not go nowhere. And then some get check you see him there. And then
97.
97, but you going back 97 money, man.
We crash off a bike. No man.
So when you say sentence be a get X-ray machine.
We not tell you when you get in about me, I tell you when me go to visit down there with my 2 youth them. You understand? And all of them extra down them get it though. Every time I say to all the board specialists, I straight to down hospital. No, we not go privately. Go down the X-ray.
Okay, well, let me see something.
Maybe if I do like brain scan and certain other things now, you may need to go a private place. Certain other kind of scan. You see it? Maybe like CT scan or certain other things. But X-ray ever up and running. When me go down there.
Lie I tell you, but you know.
What me need to tell you like big man? You just want to paint the government and make it go and look better like a system down.
You me a perfect blogger.
Eh?
All right, now may I look a search for that X-ray machine. That me now see no X-ray machine.
You need to pay a visit down there, man. Or call the staff. Call Senansby Hospital and find out, man.
Big man, listen, man. Anything what happen right now. You see JP party if them a get to one sweetie, them a go take picture with that. So and as a matter of fact, I think like X-ray machine. X-ray machine, them I got talk about it. You know which part get X-ray machine? KPH. But you come on, you never know. KPH get X-ray machine. Must say last year.
Big man, if X-ray machine at work, then
Stallion. That would only know in a break. I don't really like on the move in my youth. Might on a lie, you know. Alright, which part of the radiology department then? Tell me which part you go if you go get that X-ray done pan the compound. Tell me which part. Open your mic and tell me which part pan the compound you go get that X-ray do.
Boy, you keep on muting my mic. Alright, just before you reach our maternity ward, Marlin. Marlin, no X-ray room.
Trust me, just
before you reach the maternity ward, you turn by your right this up. After you pass the security checkpoint, and go through the gate and stuff, and go right up. X-ray room there they say, you see the big sign they say turn by your right this and go for X-ray room. Just before you reach the maternity ward.
Oh. Okay, all right then. If you say them have X-ray, them have X-ray.
I'm not tell a big man, not need for your life.
If you say them have X-ray. I know, oxygen plant. And you say them have one X-ray machine.
One working and one not working. And the two of them there in the same room.
Okay, and put a plant there. All right now.
thank you, sir.
So all the service are sentence be. It's exceptional when they.
You know, I tell a big man. All right, remember, me visit down there with my mother too. My mother had to get some medication.
The hospital me visit.
Yeah, my mother had to get some medication. And believe you me, big man, I can tell you something. See pharmacy, me never been to a private pharmacy and get that amount of treatment. I mean, I have to come in the girl and the girl them simply right drop in at them sitting there box. I'm saying, me not have time for that. The girls them were so professional the pharmacy system down there. I've never been to a private pharmacy and get that kind of treatment there. I can't tell you that. But I have to commend them.
All right, now, so. All right, now, so the X-ray machine where you talk about now. What is January? I never busy signal put the X-ray machine down the center 2015.
You know, so I don't know how I get there or what, but I know it's X-ray machine down there.
Okay, good. That is from 2015. Busy signal. Teacher test a busy. Helping Hands Foundation start with Sentence Bay Hospital. Helping Hands Foundation start with Sentence Bay Hospital. So this is another government initiative. Second thing now. The ward, the female ward. You know the female ward, right?
I have an idea where they but I not really been down there. You understand the maternity ward?
Yeah. Which administration opened the ward there? Which administration opened the ward there? Yeah, man.
So it's under PNP government.
2014.
Yeah, they did so expensive.
$136 million. What to do for the hospital? Just
the people then thief up the material.
All right, let me hear what Opal said. What do you want to hear what Opal said? Up. Yo, what going on? Opal? Must see them more.
What going on now?
Come on, roll on the jams. Opal. So now 136 million female ward open at Sentence Bay Regional Hospital.
I'm going to read it out now. Oh, what, Paula? You there?
Yeah, me there. Tell them say me say I lie. Me can't give them my name and then can check out and know who them I talk to. I lie them I tell about the sentence. If you trust me, if somebody we there and if somebody say somebody going to sentence be hospital, member say they not come out alive. You hear what me say? They're not coming out alive at the worst hospital in Jamaica. Comparing to 99, in the 1999, 2000, comparing, trust me, right there so me come from. So no make them two man that tell a lie. At the worst service you ever.
So Opal, is it the equipment or is it the staff? Which one would you
The hospital, everything down there, everything, nothing good now in a St. hospital.
Opal.
I remember 2000, me come to Jamaica and carry my son, come to St. hospital. And me tell us a caution, me get a better service than what me get a Canada ya. Out of St. hospital, and the other day me have an uncle down there. My uncle going there, my father going there, a dead body come out. Me have two uncles. You can't ask anybody a sentence be. Anybody go to St. hospital, never come out alive. So I lie them I tell, see my friend when me care from Grenada, the right side of me, nothing fun when we go down there in September and see my uncle in the hospital naked, just have on him pampers. Nothing fun they have, nothing hand soap they have in a St. hospital. Nothing hand sanitizer. And the man them really come and tell lies, man.
No, you are tell lies. I'm asking where you come from, where you live. When
me come from, straight as sentence, me come from.
You don't live a sentence.
A who?
When me lie, you tell. You are tell the lie.
And you lie, big man, where you come from?
Opal, hold on there, Opal. Hold on there. Let me get a back up. Let me jump in there a little bit, caution. The Jamaica Labour Party have known for years to present Jamaica on paper as a place to live and do business and work. Yet still they fail Vision 2030 mission. Mapping Hospital, currently today, Charter Bed, Lionel Town, Appleton, and Percy Junior Hospital. The Custos, which is a labor right, Billy Shagori. Every minute them have to walk on a beg like a charity. The last beg them beg was Sagicor. Where run when name a Jamaica name? Hold on, nobody. Where run when name was Sagicor put on? Sigma. To help with couple hospital. The Jamaica Labour Party take taxpayers' money and walk up and down in a corruption and do all sort of evil to show and buy friend. And not evil, as the lady said, and soap. Right now, if you walk in any hospital where the government say they're responsible for people that on wheelchair asleep, some on that tree, some can't see doctor. This is the reality. So if you want to ask me where me come from, ask me. Me come from Central Clarendon. My MP is Mike Henry. And I'm tired to beg the Jamaica Labour Party for help. You know what they do? Say them have more important things to do. So any labor right one come. Lionel Town Hospital belongs to Pernell Charles Jr. And right now, not even running water they have sometimes. What's a take up a place, a little clinic. So which labor right can come talk now? Panishstone Hospital. Panishstone. Hold on. Panishstone Hospital. Panishstone Hospital right now. Cannot deal with people like children. They have to send them all over the place. The only hospital we are hold up right now is because Michael Leachin having hand on the board up at Mandeville. So, which labor right can talk? If on a bounty killer and couple other calico bed good on a KPH and Shaggy and friend up where you call the one where Shaggy and friend help Buster Manti. And when they can't get the little money for thief, then lock down Shaggy. So 9 years out of prosperity, which labor right can come tell the Jamaican people, say, them have too much money are coming to tourism and this and that. Where labor right there, come up front now and talk.
Big man. All I will just say propaganda.
Allah ya tell.
So you need to take out them people off my phone.
Exaggeration you're going with.
So all right, which
That's
part
what
you
them
come
here.
from? Where you come from?
Me cannot
Where
deal
you
with
come
them
from?
people here.
Where you come from, boss man? Where you come from?
You tell lie.
Yo, hold on now. So sentence be Dr. Fenton Ferguson last Friday opened the newly built female medical ward at the Sentence Bay Regional Hospital, describing the new addition as a demonstration of government commitment to building second care infrastructure as a part of an overall drive to develop the public health sector in a holistic way. You see that same hospital when you just talk about will look good. See the man here. See the man here want to thank Fenton Ferguson. And for the X-ray machine, where there is a little part there, busy signal. To name something where the Ministry of Finance now do for the hospital. Oh, I better they type and say them people an oxygen plant in the hospital in a Sentence Bay. All right then, fine. But you see what you have another packer. You see what you to Caesar when you give to Caesar. Because me know Sentence Bay Hospital. Me go down there already. And as a matter of fact, I'm gonna tell you something else where you might know. At the first hospital in Jamaica have a digitized system wherein your things stored upon a computer, your information stored upon a computer, and a portion implement that in a Sentence Bay Hospital as a start. And to the 2024, no other hospital in Jamaica don't have that. Yeah, 100% sure.
In addition to that, PJ Patterson built Mapen Hospital, one of the most modern looking building in Jamaica in terms of a look middle class building. Mapen Hospital.
Mr. J. Jam, you just condemn all hospital except Kingston, you know, so I'm not sure what kind of credit you have.
PJ Patterson built it and 9
Yeah,
years
but you condemn it, so condemnation go
so
on
why
PJ
Andrew
too.
Wallace can't maintain the hospital, Papa? Why? Big question. Where tax money there? Ask yourself this. Where is the tax money? The poor people who are dead in a wheelchair and all sort of something. Allow me, I tell you.
Money I develop the island.
Which part of the island
nice
can
and
develop?
Which nice and beautiful.
Which part of the island can develop, Papa? Tell me.
So big man, you know, see crazy.
Net tax
road,
reserve.
nobody not talk about road. The PNP road.
You know, see crazy amount of road of fix.
Every road in Jamaica is built by the People's National Party.
I want him to tell you, no, can't live in a
Jamaica's reserve. Go and Google Jamaica net reserve.
Oh, let me tell you about the net reserve, Papa. Let me tell you about the net reserve. Well, I know. Let me answer them caution. You see the net reserve, we have 181 people on it. The net reserve have nothing to do with the poorer class of the people in Jamaica who suffer. School people are used pit tiling. So me ask you a question. What's your name? Andreas. Why is it if Jamaica grew, school in rural Jamaica still use pit tiling and not running water? Answer me. Tell me about that, the prosperity there now.
I've never encountered such things, so you're enlightened.
You don't encounter it, so you don't know some school have pit tiling right now.
Big man, Rome wasn't built in 1 day or 9 years.
9 years?
Rome wasn't built in 1 year or 9 years.
Jamaica pit tiling in a school, where?
Jesus.
Yeah, man, you have school that use pit tiling.
Rome wasn't built in 1 year or 9 years.
That.
Eh?
So you tell me say pit tiling never there about when PNP govern.
You see, the thing is,
That's what I said. It's not shame for talk that because
So we don't want everything to fix overnight.
2016.
Andrew Wallace coming out of Parliament and
he can bet it's a PNP area.
No, Andrew Wallace stand up in the Parliament and say, the reason why we have this problem is under your government. You want to tell me a big sensible man like you after 9 years in government, you want to cross the line and talk about blame game? You should be proudly standing in the Parliament and say, in 18 years, this is the disaster. In 9 years, this is the success. But there's nothing to report. There's nothing to report because everything we report, if him talk about housing trust, a PNP development. If him talk about art trust, a PNP development. If him talk about road, a PNP development. If him talk about JUTC, a PNP development. If him talk everything in Putian plan was developed by the PNP. Tell me one institution in modern Jamaica, the Jamaica Labour Party put together to benefit poor people.
Big man, PNP develop come with JUTC, but guess what? They run it to ground with corruption.
Which corruption?
What you mean by?
All right.
You
know, say you're one of them fully colonized. You know, me understand. That's why you've been fully colonized and tricked now. So
a question. Why is it Mark Golding? All right. Why is it Mark Golding is not before the court for corruption, but Andrew Wallace is before the court for corruption?
Why was Douglas Chambers murdered?
Jesus have mercy. Answer
Why was
the
Douglas
question.
Chambers murdered?
Them never can answer nothing yet. Them always come with something. Come on for caution, like.
And them before the court for corruption.
Girls, don't run for no labor.
I'm not run for no labor, right? But I can't. It's not about labor or PNP. Them can't tell the fact. They must tell truth.
The way you say about Sinan's Hospital, because
they want to get too comfortable by yourself with no fast narrative. You know that where people am tired, I want to with no fast narrative.
Yes, I
don't sound like some rubbish in a being in a brother.
Tell me say them a Jamaican when
they
they behave like that.
Right and reasoning, no brother. I want to go with no fast narrative and stop distract the people with the facts. What is wrong with don't know?
All the nurse them, we have so much cousin we work in a St. Anne's Hospital. All them tired I too.
Your cousin them a PNP man. That's why them
Jamaican. Right now me tell my kids them say man, listen man. Me live in Canada now and me American sitting so also. But if me come to Jamaica and get sick, fly me in Miami. No, me no want touch the hospital.
Hold on, no. Maybe ask them one labor right this. Labor rights. Answer this. Up at Chapelton Hospital, they have one ambulance. And then take it one ambulance and then say them have carry good down one place at town. A road block. The whole of Pernell Shaw's labor right them block the road. I said, no, don't do it. Because I bush with it. I will not have no other way. Go look it up, caution. Then take the ambulance and Chapelton Hospital, a Kegwega town. And all the prosperity in this government, and then can buy one hospital to Kakaklat. Where is it? Answer we. A man dropped down in a blood clot, man to go be a airport and dead. Because what? Airport can't afford an ambulance. They must get one contract with where hospital name? Rich People Hospital? And if they never sign the paper
that they have to pay.
They have to pay.
Yeah, have to pay before they take up the money.
The man dead in a one developed country.
For a couple of dollars.
And when they do background check and come back, all them said to the CEO of the Montego Bay Airport, he must step down for a little bit and come back. Because it was such an embarrassment.
But that's all they do, step down and come back.
Not if the ambulance brother couldn't buy, you know when they do contract you out. And they come back and blame when him, Dayton Campbell, said the reason why he might talk because he must be must have contract with the hospital as a doctor. That not going to do it if you do not blame. At the same airport, them brag off much of make billions of dollars through tourism. So why you can't buy one ambulance? Why? Answer now. If you're not so successful, answer we.
And Jay supposed to answer.
Answer.
I live in Canada, so every ambulance in every hospital
All right, me can
airport
answer
here,
something.
so.
Yeah,
All right,
but
me
in
can answer
Canada
something.
we
Me
have
can
to
answer
pay
something.
for those ambulance, don't we? But
Wednesday?
no, she said I should answer because I'm in Canada. But in Canada we have to pay for those ambulances.
But you don't pay for it,
Everywhere
right?
you go,
You
you have
don't
to
pay for
pay
it
for
right
those.
away.
You don't have to
You
pay,
don't pay
Andre.
for it right away.
If
I live
something
in
happen
New
at
York
the
and I
airport,
don't
they
have to
pick
pay
us
for
up.
it right away.
I'm bill
You
you.
don't pay right away. So
Them
no
bill
come
you
talk
later
about you have
on.
to pay.
And later on you pay. Them pick
Yeah,
you up
later
and
on
you
you
pay.
pay. And
Yes.
in Canada you don't pay like that.
But
9
don't
Like
years and
America.
no
number
growth.
untimely deaths here in Canada
9
as
years
well.
and no
All you
growth.
mean untimely death and somebody turn up in the airport and ball out murder, Jesus
The
Christ,
man
man.
could have been saved.
Of course he could.
And the Jamaica Labour Party say it is an unfortunate situation.
Because enough for them family.
Them not care about
They
the
did not
poor.
have
They
any
don't care
there. It
about
doesn't matter
nobody
about
but
family. They did
themselves.
not have any there.
They don't care about
And you know
nobody
what
but
worse about
themselves
it?
and
One
for
little
them
lady
family.
from Canada collect some charity money. You know, look it up. And say to in church people, them say in father dead because he live in a bush part of Jamaica and couldn't make it to the hospital. And they buy one carotid ambulance to Canada. Senegal, Jamaica.
When it couldn't clear.
They couldn't clear underneath the government of the
Yeah.
Jamaica Labour Party. It's unless until somebody must see thief here. When they get bad pan them, they go feedback from them friends. So me don't want
You
to
telling
know.
true because the other day when Mark was up here, the lady stand up in the meeting and tell Mark about it.
Okay.
That's true.
Okay.
I was at the meeting when Mark was up here in October and the lady stand up in a Jamaica Canadian Center and tell Mark about that. Make Mark identify herself to Mark and said that was she who sent the ambulance down.
If they want to talk about infrastructure development and progress being made, tell me how is this possible? In 2023, my brother took sick. He had I'm going to discuss that. He took sick and he was admitted to the Mandeville Hospital. He was in there for 18 days, okay? And he said to me, out of those 18 days, he slept on a chair in the hospital for 5 nights.
2023, yes, sir.
2023.
I wish government in a power 2023.
Me don't know how much the PNP.
2023.
Yeah, liar. You can come off phone.
That's what the program and a program where Robin Father
I am just saying.
Hello. Say, well, give him some
Your
chance.
brother is misleading you. Your brother is misleading you. Hello, sir.
I am not. Listen to me, sir. It's just sarcasm. I have to understand what I say. I am just being sarcastic about it. I said 2023. So how come? That's why I like when I talk and people listen and listen and instead of listening to reply. I said it must be a PNP government in 2023. That you can't understand that is sarcasm, brethren. The system needs a lot more development and it should have been far advanced than where we are in Jamaica. That's all I am saying.
But
so
Mr. Lucky,
advanced here. What you're talking about? What that narrative? That's not true.
That's
not true.
2023, Andrew in a power.
Hold on, Mr. Lucky.
You know that him I try to say
constitutionally, right?
He said it.
Constitutionally. Hold on, constitutionally, the general election is due within 6 months. The government could have found 88 million to run one local government election.
That's full.
That the money they could have got towards buy little toilet, little to hospital bed.
The hospital some resources. They could help the hospital.
Right.
So my brother just in a Mandeville hospital. My brother baby mother just lost her baby. Not even a regular ultrasound. Them never have a Spanish town. Them a send figure ultrasound in a Mandeville hospital in a them years 2024 it happened just December.
Hold on the labor rights. You know, she say Delroy Williams and where municipal corporation at town name?
KMS.
Him left him a gun me a pen for go take over Mike Henry seat and Mike Henry look upon him and tell him say and where you go. You can't even maintain KPH. And where you go. Labor rights, I want to tell labor rights say you're not qualified because you're not competent enough. I pay corruption under them belt.
Pay corruption and foolishness.
They couldn't even go on me pen. My turn, you have to turn up and say, what you do? You know, sister, I glean the edit line, you come out, pan, and so quick, then shut you down.
The system needs to revamp.
People start take accountability. Because these brothers up here, there's no accountability. Everything we not pick up for on holiness. No, it's full time. They take accountability for what's going on in the country. Even we up here, the crime rate is so high, we're scared to go back home. Talk about that.
You know, sister, they want to
sit down and talk about on the country safe. On the country, our country is very pretty, yes. But
the amount of listen, the amount of money, and make no mistake when time people tell us some money in Jamaica, but because there's so much criminal handle the money.
Too much corruption.
The amount of money that is in Jamaica. The amount of money that is in Jamaica in the system, Jamaica should have a first world country. You hear me say? We should have a system of a first world country because the money is there.
You know what bad about it?
They say we are second in crime rate. Second.
You know what bad about it?
In a Caribbean country.
This is a really bad about it.
No.
The Jamaica
say everything all right?
No, the Jamaica Labour Party. The Jamaica Labour Party we talk about crime and violence. Honest, they vote through badness. See, one of them done dead from Spanish Town, one other gang. A labor right gang. Nobody can say I like that. So me don't want one labor right now can tell we say. I know one labor right gang that. The one
all right, me can say something. Me can say something as a labor right. All right.
Defend it.
The government said they want to eliminate all gangs, right? What the reason with that you? You know?
Eliminate the government first before
I first through the talk on the life and night.
You don't know. Listen to me now.
Something else.
Listen to me now. You know. What the mayor you from Spain? You come from Spain, he must say, oh, be a PNP than them a grown a kill off termite and all of them Monday. Now that's a kill one labor right one. I say to him, say, yes, say, man, them no bias and selective. Man, them get directives say eliminate all gangs. So man, they not.
One reason why they kill me can't control him anymore because you know system lock them the parish council. The amount of money them bleed out of the parish council when they do the forensic audit and say him a one man we have mashed down the corporation. Them have to go for him.
And where you get your story from?
Then
the man facts right. The man facts right. The man facts right. Thick man is a one other man.
You look like you're in a different world.
You don't know if it is. You don't know if it is.
Somebody ask that question. More can I run in a parish council? More can I run in a parish council?
But I will run the municipal.
When they run the parish council.
What the mayor?
The mayor is
Wait, hold on. Let me get one thing straight to you. You see, technically, the mayor no run the parish council and the local government. That's a Desmond Mackenzie. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, I'm a minister for local government.
No. On a local level, the mayor and the council.
Stallion. The mayor.
The money is from out of the municipal.
Listen, where does the mayor get money from? The mayor get money from the Ministry of Local Government. And a lot of times, the Minister of Local Government, though, him do give the MP the money. The MP, you see, in that area there, where you have over there, so with a man there, it is very much possible. That's why I realize, I watch a case there, you know. I realize say them no call in nobody, you know, and whatsoever, because guess what? You see, who them go call in, associate with them.
So then go for the man we are collecting money. That's why man dead. Because when they do the audit, and they say this money and mash up the parish council and journey, them say we can't talk him and tell him stop. We don't just have to kill him. And one of the old we are drain the local parish council, you know, because of 2 terms we reach out it, you know. You know, you really right then can't tell you how they love him. He him daddy.
Yeah, man, them black the road and say, boy, him response to them, and them take care of him.
Okay.
Right now, Babsy foot at fire for where them do that drop out them on the right now.
Yeah, because
come from the side there and be a black road and police and soldier.
Burn down building and all kind of foolishness.
Yeah, right other side them afford from right now.
But me ask one liberal intelligent question now. You remember, you know the man when named Senator Harbin Hill were calling himself a Minister of Investment and Commerce? 2015, he write a big article said Jamaica is impoverished and extreme poverty and people can't buy food. So me don't want to know. Under his leadership in 9 years, what is the lifestyle comparing to the 2015 now? Put up back in cabbage now. Because
Jamaica is considered an upper middle income country. Jamaica have a 3.5 unemployment rate. Jamaica's poverty level is 13.2%. Take all of that and think about it.
Andre, all of you talk about unemployment, you see?
Well on, man. When did Jamaica become an upper something where you just a talk about? Which year?
When that happened? Which year that happened?
2010.
2010. So can it take 3 years to accomplish that magnitude of growth?
You know what, Caution, you know, all the time when I'm on your live, I always say that the JLP government took the foundation, they continued it, and they completed the program successfully.
So
I have never taken from Peter Phillips the foundation he laid.
All right, so no, well on there. When you talk like that, you have to make it be known. Say PJ Patterson set the foundation with Jamaica become a upper middle whatsoever. You are the brag and boast about.
PJ Patterson.
No, but he said he was asking an intelligent question from the labor right to get an answer. So I gave him one to show that the Jamaican people, when you're looking at statistics, it is not saying the Jamaican people is suffering. Yes, we know the cost of living is high. Yes, we know that everybody consider satisfaction differently.
So,
based on statistics, Jamaica
seeing and believing is 2 different things. Actually,
hold on a moment. You are
and going through it.
Hold on a moment. You are going to tax. You are going to debate say cost of living. No, when time people, you said more, you said a while ago.
Cost of living is high. What are you?
Hold on a minute. Hold on, let me talk now, bossy. You just said 2 questions in a 1 hour. You said ask question and answer your own thing. You said cost of living, you understand that cost of living is a bit high. But you say it much better now. Who you do a match there? Or you had up that match?
Shane, no link him with that yet. Under PNP government, 2015, you know, say you can buy 1 little piece of cabbage on a market and you can cook 3 times.
What kind of cabbage you Caution put up?
All 5
it's
times.
Uptown cabbage, it's a supermarket. One market go support your regular Jamaican them.
Up and down,
you want to mega mart. I want that.
All right, Caution.
Up down and downtown. They have said this.
Listen, can I ask you a question?
You're telling me that because of it now we must suffer the consequences?
You see that cabbage that Caution have on the screen right there, looking at that cabbage, that is imported, okay? So automatically, because it's imported, the price is gonna go up. But the fact of the matter is that 1 cabbage should not be costing that much.
But,
it doesn't matter.
Thank you.
Brother Lucky, for uptown people support your people in the market, you will not get that price.
But let me answer you now.
Hey, so we put another cabbage. That cabbage look imported to you now?
The cabbage wrap up. When us in a market lady hold the cabbage in her hand.
That look like a Jamaican cabbage, but it's still for 1 cabbage.
For 1 cabbage, no. This look like this look like a Jamaican cabbage, right?
It look like but At the same time, we cannot go off of the tag, caution, because you know why? They can import the cabbage and wrap it and put it on Jamaica.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. What is on the cabbage is on the cabbage for sale. What is the prices on the cabbage? You can't do that, man. You can't try to it like that.
$2,699. All right. Hold on the no caution. Let me ask you this question. Hold on the labor rights. On the Prime Minister, the highest level of unemployment. All these jobs where they might give everybody, you think that make no sense because when they might pay, nobody can work through that for 1 week in the papa to buy food and pay taxes. So all these jobs
they can't full the basket to Andrew can up there for 3,000. They can't put about 4 at a time they put in the basket.
You know where my labor they really
so, me ask a question. What is the minimum wage should I do right now?
I don't minimum wage about
what should be a livable wage for people right now?
A livable minimum wage right now anywhere between 25 to 30.
All right. All right, me hear that, right?
Mm-hmm.
When them raise minimum wage to that now, how many teachers can afford to pay a helper to take care of them yard and things?
Let me answer you, Stallion. Hold on, Stallion. Stallion.
Yeah.
Let me say this to you now. Let me answer you this now. The government job is to stabilize the country with good
basket there. Look at the basket. Look at the basket there.
Hold on the ocean. The government job is to stabilize the country with good policies, good governance, good investment attraction, and good negotiation. Whereas the basic wages can able to take care of the very least citizens in the country.
Exactly.
But the government of Jamaica, all they do with the call center and the hotel, pay bad deal, when they people ain't getting money, only the government and their friend benefits. So what they're saying is, don't talk about no teacher, no nurse, or no doctor. The government...
All of them run with gone, man. All of them run with gone to low wages up here, you know.
Yes.
Hotel workers strike everybody.
So,
and they know what them money come. What they really are talking about?
Why is Jamaica is the highest paid politician and minimum wage and the teacher and the nurse and the doctor? Why? Answer that question.
The opposition leader is the highest politician. So go and go tell him to get him pay cut.
Then the man not donate half my money and say not necessary right now.
No, don't drop your voice for me. Go tell him to get pay cut.
And Mark Bolin decides to want to increase. Andrew, let's take it and in crownies. Why Andrew, let's raise?
Mark Golin is the highest paid politician
hello, sir.
in Jamaica.
Hello. The opposition leader don't raise him pay now.
Don't
raise him pay now. Your government give money.
It is true, sweet passion. Right. Go and go.
Me can ask you a question.
Stallion, don't move it. Hold Stallion.
No,
Stallion.
sir. That's
not right. A question.
No, Stallion, don't move, Stallion. Stallion, don't move.
Yeah.
You said minimum wage, and we are saying in a time when Jamaican people can't find food for it. Why
that's not true. That's not true. That's not true.
Let me rephrase it.
That's a fact.
How much you can't find food?
All right, hold on.
How much you
rephrase it.
How many you
Let me rephrase it. Hold on.
How many?
Stallion. Let me rephrase it. Let me rephrase it. Stallion, in the time of difficulty and challenges for the Jamaican people, why does Andrew only think it is a good timing to raise his cronies' pays in such a hard time that in the Caribbean, the Jamaican politicians are the most highly paid politicians? Why is he so considerate and compassionate toward the poor?
You really think a mountain there for die pan tonight?
Huh?
Hey,
Mark Golin is the highest paid in the Caribbean.
Hey, hold on. Wait now. Make it clear the ear now. So these are the places: OT, Four Clove Trust Fund, Jamaica Paralympic Association. Let me tell you the other four now. Okay, yeah. Missionaries of the Poor, Mustard Seed Community, Food for the Poor, Town Community Development Foundation. There is where Moses donate 80% and salary each time him get paid. See the information there. You can continue talking.
Andrew only take fee money and him have one charity in Canada go beg some. When then dig him down, he take out some my money from when get out of one of the charity and he go do some investment. And when then catch him, he say I'm gonna put it back. And today he deny. And he turn yard and he take him phone and he say I'm gonna open a bank account. And he say a lie bank tell
Andy, well, on my friend. Andy, you hear a caution read a while ago, here? Learn from that, here?
Learn.
All right, you try and learn from that. Your feet up in your face.
Morning. Andrew Wellness rates everybody pay. Everybody pay. Politician, everybody pay raise.
That is the thing where they need to understand that the opposition
everybody pay raise.
His pay was raised by the current government.
Can I ask you a question?
All right, but he accepted it.
Sweet passion. Morning.
Yeah, man, morning.
Me a little sweet passion. It catch me, so me have to ask her a few questions.
Yeah, man.
You said minimum wage should raise to at least 35,000. Do you have a business?
25 to 30.
Do you have a business?
If I have a business?
Yeah.
Yes, I do.
Okay. Could you afford to pay your worker 35 to 40 to 25 to 30,000?
When you look on it, what is 25,000?
No, I'm asking you.
No, me ask you what is 25,000?
No, I'm asking you. I'm not saying you. I'm asking you if you could afford to pay 25,000 for a worker right now. That's the question me asking.
Yes.
Okay, are you paying 25,000?
More.
Huh?
More.
Okay. Well, it's not everybody. It's not everybody.
I don't sound convinced by your answer. I don't sound convinced by your answer.
Relax yourself, that's how make it two people put the question together.
I'm a person come ask people in personal business from my youth.
You can't get to them because
regardless what the woman wants to say, the man asks her the question, a livable wage, she explains and said 25 to 30,000 dollars is a livable wage. You understand? Well, you should not ask Andrew Wellness, aka Fiverr, one can control the cost of living, that even the minimum wage can be a livable wage for people. You come and ask woman for your personal business, brethren. Nobody asks you on a basis, would ever see your face, would ever see your name, and all them kind of something, brethren. You know what I'm telling my youth?
It's alright. Me gone, the truth always hurt.
So I can answer that question. What would PNP be able to do different for
Listen, brethren. Yo, let me tell you this, man. Because number one, first thing you come up as a ghost. You come up as a ghost and I go ask woman a personal business. That is our personal business. Yeah. You are outside this so. And she not supposed to discourse if she employ nobody for them salary. Neither. So I don't know why you come up here so and I come talk about truth earth. I come up here so I come ask some irrelevant questions. Who if you ask question, you're not asking a question, you ask a young female, the lady, for your personal business. When Andrew Wellness said that was a public person, we want to know film business, and you now go up a film office, go ask him how much money him have.
But Caution, really if I fucking know, Pinnock and Royal Reed did really pay the help a lot of money, you know. Because when they check it out to Kakaklat, the amount of money they bail out of the education system to pay the helper through corruption. Then did really pay the helper well. The poor helper go to court and say not even did know sir, the labor right there up not name in that company that woman name. Royal Reed helper up no one company in a helper name and a rob the education sector.
This government has to go. That's all me know.
Okay.
This government have to go. You understand?
All right, Caution.
That's the bottom line of it.
Caution. All right, use a man. Me see you draw up your information, you Google information and put it up on the screen, right? What was inflation from 1989 to 2007 when over that 8.5 years period. And on an annual basis, what was inflation? Was the PNP able to control inflation?
Caution. Don't even follow up them, man. They man come like say after 9 years in the government. You want to dig up from 19 or when? You want to leave excuse, bro?
Listen, jam. Listen, man. Inflation was high at that time, but you know what I can tell you say was low, and you can go check it out.
Yeah.
Poverty level. PJ Patterson low. Listen again, you know. Just listen again. PJ Patterson have the lowest record of poverty level in Jamaica ever recorded. And let me tell you this now. Yes, if you're a man have poverty level at the minimum, meaning say less people in Jamaica are suffer. So all one time you want to say minimum wage is too low, and this and that poverty level was not a problem in Jamaica underneath PJ Patterson. Always remember that.
But caution.
You see when you measure good governance, I'm ask every labor like this. What if, and only see the lowest unemployment rate? I'm ask you know, can someone be working and still underneath poverty level? Yes. What is the poverty rate right now in Jamaica? No. And you know what I'm telling you? You know the reason why I'm not telling you? Because if we check and add PG own, and since a PG unemployment rate is higher than Andrew one, but yet still team poverty rate lower than Andrew one, something wrong.
So question, how you measure poverty level now? Tell me something. How you measure it?
A statistics do that.
Are you a statistician right here now? How you measure poverty level?
No, listen, I don't work as statistics, so I work with the information and put out.
Caution. Let me answer.
Watch it now.
Let me answer now. Stallion, let me answer you. Stallion. Never in the history of Jamaica, people take up themselves and go buy $20 for a squeeze to brush their teeth. Never in the history of Jamaica, people get fish tail when they cut off some part of Asia send back to Jamaica. Never in the history of Jamaica, people deadpan cheer and drop down in the airport because there's no medical facility for the poor. Never in the history of Jamaica, people at work and it still don't make a difference.
And don't make no difference.
Right.
So me can answer a question. Would PNP be able to control inflation?
Let me answer you. Underneath the People's National Party, people work, people develop. Every national development from taxi pan, road and telephone in your hand, road for drive pan. The National Water Commission developed massive water in rural Jamaica. When you talk about medical facilities, PJ Patterson build in giant hands with his neighbors, below this, below that, school this, school that. Tell us now, what you say, don't bring paper to it. Because let me tell you the whole platform. Jamaica to the world based on the Jamaica Labour Party is on paper. A place to do business. And when they do their statistics, you know what Andrew is going to tell me? We will not meet Vision 2030 because it's not possible. You're a practical government.
Got 50. Let me say something here. We're talking about inflation. I'm on minimum wage and all of that. Let me tell you something. Even in the 90s, when the minimum wage was low, cost of living was not high. When you get minimum wage at that time, because the dollar did have more value than it is right now, at that time when you get the $6,000, it come like a $15,000 you get. Now when you get $15,000, it come like a $6,000 you get. Okay?
Right.
Because when you go to supermarket, when you go a supermarket now with $15,000, God bless where you come out with it naturally. When me I raise my picnic in the 90s, when me get my pay and me go a supermarket, go buy Pampers and feed for with $500, me I come back out of that with change. I mean I ask you that out of $500. So when you talk about $15,000 of good minimum wage, $15,000 inflation, you about that. Cut out bread and butter politics.
Mr. Lucky, are you overseas?
Yes, I am.
Isn't this same conversation over here now?
Where?
Isn't this same
Inflation.
conversation that you are
It,
having?
it
It's
is
been
almost.
had
Listen.
here
It is,
overseas as well. That
yes.
at
Yes.
past
Yes.
times,
Yes.
money
Why
could
you
have been,
people like to
we could have
Purchasing
like
power.
to
done
go in
more.
Purchasing
people
power.
information like that, so.
Money more
You,
elastic.
you, you
No,
distract the man,
I am
the man
trying to
finish where him
say
going.
it's worldwide.
No,
All
no,
Hold on, hold
But
on, hold on. We're not Jamaica,
listen,
we are
Andrea.
dealing with.
Canada.
Make
Listen,
the
Andrea.
gentleman go ahead, sir.
Andrea, listen this. Andrea, listen this. We're not saying that things should remain back as it was right now. We're not saying that, but we are still saying it could be better. Okay?
Shit.
Look, I'm just showing you something. Me start my house at Jamaica 2014, and at 2014, me used to buy 1,000 block for $80,000. Remember, me say 1,000 building block for 80,000 Jamaican dollars, right? The same 1,000 building blocks 10 years later is costing me $150,000. I mean, I get more when me I buy at the same 1,000 block, and it cost me double
But
time.
Lucky, brother Lucky, hold on. All Andrew Wallace cronies come and tell Andrew Wallace say, when they go up a price mart to go buy shopping food for their family, they look at money now work out. And they increase them pay by much percentage. So when they see the labor, then a price mart come out. A half a supermarket then come out with. And when a little man then say, boy, you look at minimum wage now work, you hear them say, so what you want with it do? So the question is to Stallion and I say what you want name. How is it your government can find it suitable to raise all and cronies pay in a one time like this?
Canada with Jamaica.
And compare Canada with Jamaica. We live America and Canada. I'm going to tell you, when we were,
It come down to the rich will be getting rich and the poor will be getting poorer.
and
Because
the government is okay with that.
because if you look at this and listen to this, and this is factual, you know that the poor people in any country, them keep the economy going.
But then look, poor people, remember said the Jamaican Labour Party love poor people.
Hold on. You can't have a prime minister when not declare in statutory. You can't have a prime minister where take taxpayers' money and use it with the people them. And you gonna expect a country where you say him a lead to be the best, as what them a say. No go so. You have to full of transparency because you have prime minister in front of court with how much counter charge from him. And now he can't cooperate with the law. When him said.
Oshane, ask him this question. Oshane, ask him this question. The little young man never then catch and lock up and extradite to the United States of America because of laptop scamming and this and that. You know the biggest law they use and lock them up? The unexplained wealth. Please tell us how you buy the Mark X and the Benz and the Beamer. And when they can't produce it, they charge them and lock them up.
I'll seize it. Take it up on them.
Hold on the caution. So the question is
PNP Farm the Integrity Commission.
Hold on, man. Wait, man. More 1, 2, 3 labor right. Look on the screen and identify this. It look like one riverbank, no? You don't know say it's a road that.
Not that caution, that can never be a road caution, I swear. Is that a road?
Look on the mall, man, and look on the barber green pan top of it, man. And the grass.
Yo, we can put water in that and turn that in a swimming
So
pool.
what's a big money? You can stop natural disaster from dig up road.
Don't blame natural disaster.
You can stop natural disaster from dig up road.
After the hurricane.
I can't tell you. If you ask me,
Can't stop natural disaster, but you could fix it.
Fix it.
Stallion.
The road will soon be fixed, man.
Soon be
Stallion.
9 years on road and no road.
Only look for worse on backside.
They're going to give you a chance and let me say something to Stallion. Stallion, you know the problem is not natural disaster in Jamaica, why the road them stay, sir? You know what is the problem with the road them in Jamaica? What is the problem?
No maintenance, man.
No maintenance. If the roads were being maintained over the years, they would not have deteriorated.
Lucky, they taking money from road maintenance and taking go put in them pocket and elsewhere. But let me tell you, Labour right then this. One road in a Christopher Tufton constituency, we can't bow game. We're broke from much years now between Connors and Belfield. Anybody come from that area, they know that road we're broke with. And we tell you the Labour right them have to take this journey road. Every minute Christopher Tufton come and measure up.
You know how long me not see a stone wall, Bill? A retaining stone wall.
All right. And
you know how long me not see a curve and channel where to channel the water off a road, Bill? A man just come with some mall, throw it in a patrol and throw some barber.
The other day I was in Jamaica.
When the rain fall and come down back, everything escaping a nearby bushes.
But all I know, Ocean, going at Grange constituency to Spanish Town. It dreaded dirty and stink and overflow the whole place as a Liberal constituency on in the power for 9 years.
Brother, me tell you, say, me I come from that side there, me I tell you, say, I never know, brother.
You say you're going to Spanish Town. And you know what worse? The city of Kingston go downtown. The dirty, nasty, stink and the big old black and one city where my bill friend donkey jump off fire cross and go back up. And the leader for the government, Desmond Mackenzie. The city, Jamaica capital city, look like shit pen. After 9 years.
But time. Last week.
I'm not hearing that.
Well on, man. January start. Yo, my fellow labor rights slayers, and make the labor right them get like a chance to talk. No, just a slay them.
In our previous PNP administration, no garbage something in there for collect garbage. Garbage pile up and stink up.
Lie. You live in Jamaica, go with that, man. Come with that, brother Payas. Don't come with that, Payas.
Me live in Jamaica.
But you're not easy.
Jamaica.
Let me answer you. Hey, let me tell you this, Papa.
Big man, you're wagonist, you know, big man. You're not coming no fact. You come like some little jam.
No, let me say something.
You're not coming that, brother Payas. Don't come with that, Payas. I cannot go like that.
Hold on there. Who remember when you look picking there, you see the Jamaica come in the neighborhood? Me a little youth. I never see so much garbage truck every day. So 2 times a week you see truck come out with try to up the truck.
New and clean.
I
pay a new garbage truck around the place now. Be a crazy garbage truck. No problem.
Stallion. All one man, when your mass boobs used to pick up a garbage, good job. And we always go down there and see truck come. And that from Mr. Labor right there cover, we never see a garbage truck come back. When it do come, it broke down. And that is Labour Party. Then come to out one fire and it was leaky. I Billy Shagor missing go beg look money for help fix the water truck and when they ask
them road where caution put up your son them road where caution put up Mr. Golding a come with come back with PWD. No more black and white. You maintain the road them. Yeah.
Mr. Golding not come back. You're not going to live with Mr. Golding become Prime Minister.
This look like a housing scheme or something.
Caution, try to get them out. They can go on.
Look here, when I talk about Mr. Golding become Prime Minister. We hear me now, Labour right? No, yeah, beg on please. Tell Andrew Wallace to just
call election.
Just tell him to call election. We done this. No, just tell him to call. No, just tell him to call. Like when him say turn it up when he's ready and turn it down when he's ready. Him ready and now turn it up down. No, fly gate. Tell him to just fly.
Somebody
you think there's a ticket, then you went to Freedom Street in Mount up people.
Come talk, son. Yo, me not see my food ready. Me not cook my food ready.
Moses never see the promised land.
Call a long time.
Say what I know?
Una prophesy and Una prophesy and know because Moses never see the promised land.
I want to Una prophesy. Una so no bad and ready for the road. Then call election. We not fear debate, you know. Call election because he's a bro God and he want third term.
You know, see them up there.
Now what's the local government election where we know? Yo, just tell him to call
he never winning.
Oh no,
PNP come out with the numbers in a local government, man. PNP base come out, man.
The PNP base come out in a local government election, and that's the
All
thing.
in a Senate.
You don't learn anything from that. You don't learn anything from that. You don't see
Good question. Look,
you don't see anything.
The PNP have no more, no better come with.
Stallion.
Yes.
Stallion.
That's why you think this is 2020, brother.
Stallion.
Stallion.
Yeah.
Wait, no, Stallion. I have 18 seats. 18 seats when I go take because I have 14 seats where no labor right can't take. So you see, the game is how much of them 40 odd seats that Uno can keep from PNP. I'm going to start from down at Westmoreland. We have 3 down at Westmoreland for collect, 2 at Hanover for collect, and 5. We're going to dig out 1 out of St. James, 6, 7, St. Trelawney, right? St. Anne's. Feel like I'm going to get 1 out of St. Anne's too, you know.
Yeah, get the full 4 of them out of sentence.
What no, man, yeah. What do you mean we say how much sentence?
Right down a naughty sentence. Alright, we'll see.
Yeah, watch no. I eat me there, no. Alright, I'm gonna St. Mary. Now dig out another 1 out of St. Mary. 9, East Portland. 10.
Only guy alone see to no can get that same here. Only guy alone.
This show me I send a brother. 11 I'm gone already, no brother. Just cool down, no man. Calm, no brother. We had the fret already, brother. I'm gone 11 out of St. Thomas. I'm going to go boom. I'm going to take back Central Kingston. 12. I'm going to want 6 more. 6 more, want, you know. All right. We reach now Juliet seat. Onless. That the seat then look too safe at all, you know. We don't call a seat, but I'm going to allow that seat if you have bonus. I'm going to go down a Clarendon. I'm going to have 2 seats down a Clarendon. When I'm going to take left more 4. 3, yeah, 3. Left more 3. Then when we go Manchester right now, I have 3 at Manchester because all 4 seats we are get a Manchester that are 18. Me not touch St. Elizabeth and me not touch St. Andrew. 18 that. You feel like you can keep them 18 seats from PNP?
Keep what, man? Keep what, man?
But asking this question now.
Silence now, why you can't
answer this question now?
Hold on the drum.
JLP party
let me tell you this, sir. None of labor right seat them no safe. Caution, hear me I say. None of labor right seat them no safe. There are no safe seat.
But hold on, O'Shane, never in the history they ever see so much people about the diaspora buy ticket to come vote. This is an election and name life support.
Never. An incumbent is always stronger than the challenger. So you guys have a mountain to climb.
Really?
Just remember that.
You talk your own story.
Yeah, you talk when you talk.
And the light, the light, you know, the light on the side, I come down here.
No, for the seat,
you're a caution say have them be seat there, you know. You say 18 and 19, you know, me count the side, you know. That's element of surprise there, you know. But
then up on TV, go talk about Indian town and this time we are confident.
You just say incumbent is always stronger than the challenger. Then most of them 49 seats they want to have now. And incumbent didn't have them.
It looks so.
No, then this
incumbent. And then incumbent seat them out in them. Listen, you're not gonna lose.
All me I tell you now, Labour I am gonna
tell you this tonight. PNP now win no less than 54 seats. You remember me tell you that? No less.
It shall be a very sad man on election night. Very sad.
Remember say your Prime Minister and his wife drive go up on that Clarendon to go jump on knock pan and Nesta Morgan put on one sauna when they look at him and the rat and the cockroach left in peace.
All him singing song already, you know.
Okay.
RJ Dixon kill him in that show.
So caution. Me then hear you about Portland. You call and I see them at Portland.
Brother, you take a Pinky seat, brother. Pinky now got no seat for so long. You have to go sit down in that.
Anne-Marie Evans.
What do you mean?
Anne-Marie now no seat.
What you really attack, say? What you really attack?
Generating, madam.
You come like it here.
You don't come like it. Well, I show you. Well, I show you a style now. Remember, I know. when time Isaac go down there, you know, and Pinky start run up and down like madams, you know. She run
I
gun and
cry.
kill on the
I cry. I ride tears.
now when she bring the bus come a Portland, no, the bus can't drive. That's a way it turn. You ever see some people they turn idiot? She turn what's an idiot? Oh, she done one idiot already.
Caution, give him that one here. Give him that one here, caution. You see, when the election is called, you have the people them from all of the PJ participants, them voter come. Mike and Manley voter come. Mama P voter come. Marty G voter come. Bunting voter come. And let me tell you this. You see how the dopey then get up and go vote?
Ananias, let me
that
tell
sound like a thief on the plan for thief election.
A thief in a parish council the other day because Natty sentence win election the other day. Gilly win the night. And the guy from Windside win the night. Senance Beer win the night. And on the next day, a thief on a thief. You can't win. And the same police boy there. So you give people election in a sentence beer. You can't chat to me.
Danishka against send that my man then a retirement. You see them, you saw she shut down 10 times a day. On a tax the crowd go there from there. Tax the crowd there for now we come there.
Ocean, when they see to all the labor right, they're afraid. When they look and see them are going to lose, them go back for call some more after then kick him one side and say, come back and we want to vote.
Them take him back?
Them
take him back?
Yes, them put him aside. And
somebody said them thief all over too.
Gopal, you see the other day when me go to Jamaica, my first point of duty was to make sure that I am on the voters list.
Me gonna go vote. Me there 1 year sure.
Let me tell Ananias this something, this labor right man or something, because he must say we are going to thief election. And I am
Come cancel your vote.
And listen this.
Vote.
I have already purchased my ticket, an open ticket. So it's anytime I get fly, all I do is just put the date on it and I'm heading down.
Every PNP at 2 labor right come down.
Yes, sir.
All right, I hate labor right. If your vote, I hate labor right come down to cancel your vote.
Mr. Stallion.
Remember that.
Labor right, not labor right, not the overseas again, remember.
All right.
Mr. Stallion.
Yeah.
All the diaspora is singing the same song. Let me tell you why. You see, all that people who have to run from Jamaica, include themselves, to come fight life. We don't love America, Nicole. And we don't want to come back in our country and so we make sure we come vote to make sure so when we come back, I feel we won.
Hold on and Jam, you know what's enough for them man blackers that they have overseas can't come back to Jamaica and can't come and come vote. Do you know that?
You never say well labor right come down come vote yet. Me never say that yet.
No, me I tell you that the reality is all about the truth.
Ocean, don't worry about them because
I'm not
quiet man.
You don't know nothing. A big man a fret. A big man a fret.
Let me make a last point to Ananias and then I got just sit back and listen. Ananias, never in the history of Jamaica, you just try and remember as far as long as you can remember. If you ever see the musicians them come out and I show them true colors and which party they support, you have never ever seen that in the history of Jamaica.
Lucky, let me back you up. Lucky, back you up.
Come out now.
Lucky, let me back you up. When Popcorn see all the poor people must suffer in the jail, all the come down and mash up the poor people them off. And him beg the people them and the government to help out. You know what they do? Then cuss off Popcorn and lock him down and tell him say you have no right to help people.
Illegal. They tell him say, yeah, I saw that. They tell him that it's
and
illegal.
You know what they do? They mash it down. So when Popcorn and the other charity donators then say, but if we can help the poor and the government don't want help, who are going to help? You know, see? You know, see?
What the government is trying to do, you see? The government will make sure that any benefit for the people them have any in the country I get on a large scale, it have to come through for them.
You know, so what they do is Shaggy.
That's why they are
100 million to buy bed. And through Shaggy no give them the money. Stallion, answer with that no? The man decide to buy one bed and then say no. A whiff is spending. Tell us about your government you want whole and pan charity money now.
Christopher Tufton did want it, man. He did want the money, him go up, he did well want the money there.
I want to make you tell you now. Yesterday election, young people are going to take it to you.
Push young people now.
No, you're right.
You're right, of course, yes. You're right, man. Yes, them are going to take it to you, of course. Them are going to give it to it. No, say take. Now you can't take. Say them are going to give it to it. Tell me.
JP is the party for young people. Young people find JP attractive.
We should tell
her that. You see 2011 election, you know, so you should win the election there. Just because whole pile young people around the back of JLP, they never knew.
Listen, I want to shouldn't win the 2016 election.
You know, so audio. You see audio.
What you talk about, man?
No,
you know what you talk about, say, man? Stop talk crap, bro.
Oh, I want to shouldn't win.
Labour Party should never come back in a power. I'm a party we're going to divide up. I'm a party we're going to divide up because of foolishness. You should not see back Jamaica House, you know. I'm a party where the foolishness make you not have chat. I want to know that too. So you can't win the election, yeah.
No, listen to Karen.
If that was where I said Jamaica will develop so nice.
No.
That was where listen to
big man. What you talk to big man? You talk about develop and all. No, big man. Some places I me you talk to develop. Man, you me drive out Jamaica, you can't fool me and tell me nothing. I mean, I make you check nobody on this and spread the authority, you know. Una bad enough here. Una bad for your man, you know, brother. We have one children, future, and feet are stand up in them neck, you know. But we never see true reality, you know.
No, man, we don't see that.
You know, on face, you know, never see it, you know, youth.
That's how you perceive it,
you know a big thing about this, yeah. Me not go stay like some people, you know.
Now I'm going to you a sentence here when me come down there for you say, not east you come from.
Me I go bid phone for you. Una go get better. Una go get better country now.
Right.
All right. Someone tell us a shiny lockdown here, so no can hold on but now in an artist again.
But all right.
Where shine it, boss man?
No, me tell us a shiny
lockdown up for exchange. I may tell us say yes, me agree with that. I pay labor right. But it was surprising me. See that a young boy they take out so much PNP out of exchange. And you never say so much PNP in an exchange yet. And when you see that the young boy they judge so much people
Miss.
Big man, me not chat to you. Me not chat to you. Me chat to Stallion in the exchange, man. Me not chat to you.
Me tell you, know, the PNP base was energized in February of last year. I bet that we don't have no energized. We don't have no better come.
All right, we will see.
Sally, you don't say you talk stupid though, so my time. You try to learn that thing, you know, but you don't want that thing, you know, but you just expose. Foolishness. Let me tell you this. When PNP come out to vote, Labour right, demolish, left, right, and center, and that happen to no right now, bro. You see it? Yeah, me tell you, me not talk for no say boy, me a if and butter maybe. If you turn east, west, crossway Jamaica, you see orange.
Ocean. Me I go tell this and me I go tell on the live this. Labour right can't muster 400,000 votes in this election. Me I tell you that.
As for you go?
No, me I tell you, no man, them I get over 300. Them I get around 350. Based on trajectory, them can't get.
The police boy Thunder. At Thunder, them have been a snarty sentence and a thief ballot box them, you know. Thunder, Mina and allege.
And the night of election.
And I get that again. Want to do in a parish council election a naughty sentence. That can't work again.
We don't have no reason for thief, man. We have no reason to steal the election.
Hey, people. We not hear all the other day when them have a by-election down there. The woman down at the electoral office, I call why girl named Diane. Diane come for the police them have a box, they want to go thief the box. You see how them thief them all a thief and them one self. From them one self, you know, them one run against them one another, and them a call police and Diana. Everybody say them Diane must come because the police them want them thief the box them. How can the police want them thief the box when a them wanna run against themselves?
Let me tell you this, Stallion. I said the labor right them on never give no money last year. Then nobody want it this year.
We not issue out money like that. No.
PNP not we hand out,
not issue out money like that.
We not hand out money, man. We don't waste.
Looking at mirror and chat.
We don't waste time.
Yes.
PNP not hand out money, my boy.
We not hand out money like that.
You have to check the JLP side for that.
The amount of money we want to spend last election.
The amount of money we want to spend for two local election.
Our performance we are campaign fund, man.
So why it never shown at the local? Why your performance never shown at the local?
Yo, you know how much money you not spend over any and town there, so and down a place there. You not spend over any and town. You not spend 27 million as what them say. I don't know win. Wanna take up back the black tank them for the people, them wanna take up the board for the people, them wanna take up back the zinc, the mesh them.
So you're not mentioning the bike.
Take up. Look, hold on, man, let me talk, man. Hold on, let me talk.
Or you not talk about the bike when then go back for?
Yeah.
Labor right